red pajamas, he's the GOAT.
Ooh, breakfast came really late.
Everybody trade good day, and I almost fat bitch.
Get off my damn stage. Hold on. Profit roll call. You guys know what to do. I did well, Llama?
No intro, Toby.
You're gay.
We synchronized.
No intro.
I did the intro, JJ.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy, Big Daddy, Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all the free shit we got. Buy the course if you want. Who gives a fuck? We're gonna have a great day, Llama.
Lock in for a nigga. You wondering why you ain't made it to the top? It ain't got no motion cause you won't lock in. Lock in.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy, Big Daddy, Big Daddy Max. I'm a red pajama. I'm a red pajama. I'm a red pajama.
Lock in for a nigga.
I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm the Big Daddy Max, the greatest fucking trader in the world. With my boy, Llama Red Pajamas, he's the GOAT.
Ooh, breakfast came really late.
Everybody trade good day, and I almost fat bitch.
Get off my damn stage. Hold on. Profit roll call. You guys know what to do. I did well, Llama?
No intro, Toby.
You're gay.
We synchronized.
No intro.
I did the intro, JJ.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy, Big Daddy, Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all the free shit we got. Buy the course if you want. Who gives a fuck? We're gonna have a great day, Llama.
Lock in for a nigga. You wondering why you ain't made it to the top? It ain't got no motion cause you won't lock in. Lock in.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy, Big Daddy, Big Daddy Max. I'm a red pajama. I'm a red pajama. I'm a red pajama.
Lock in for a nigga.
I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm the Big Daddy Max, the greatest fucking trader in the world. With my boy, Llama Red Pajamas, he's the GOAT.
Ooh, breakfast came really late.
Everybody trade good day, and I almost fat bitch.
Get off my damn stage. Hold on. Profit roll call. You guys know what to do. I did well, Llama?
No intro, Toby.
You're gay.
We synchronized.
No intro.
I did the intro, JJ.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy, Big Daddy, Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all the free shit we got. Buy the course if you want. Who gives a fuck? We're gonna have a great day, Llama.
Lock in for a nigga. You wondering why you ain't made it to the top? It ain't got no motion cause you won't lock in. Lock in.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy, Big Daddy, Big Daddy Max. I'm a red pajama. I'm a red pajama. I'm a red pajama.
Lock in for a nigga.
I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm the Big Daddy Max, the greatest fucking trader in the world. With my boy, Llama Red Pajamas, he's the GOAT.
Ooh, breakfast came really late.
Everybody trade good day, and I almost fat bitch.
Get off my damn stage. Hold on. Profit roll call. You guys know what to do. I did well, Llama?
No intro, Toby.
You're gay.
We synchronized.
No intro.
I did the intro, JJ.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy, Big Daddy, Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all the free shit we got. Buy the course if you want. Who gives a fuck? We're gonna have a great day, Llama.
Lock in for a nigga. You wondering why you ain't made it to the top? It ain't got no motion cause you won't lock it. Lock it in.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy, Big Daddy, Big Daddy Max. I'ma rip pajama. I'ma rip pajama. I'ma rip pajama.
Lock you in for a nigga.
I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm the Big Daddy Max, the greatest fucking trader in the world. With my boy, Llama Red Pajamas, he's the GOAT.
Ooh, breakfast came really late.
Everybody trade good day, and Llama's fat bitch.
Get off my damn stage. Hold on. Profit roll call. You guys know what to do. I did well, Llama?
No intro, Toby.
You're gay.
We synchronized.
No intro.
I did the intro, JJ.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy, Big Daddy, Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all the free shit we got. Buy the course if you want. Who gives a fuck? We're gonna have a great day, Llama.
Lock you in for a nigga. You wondering why you ain't made it to the top? It ain't got no motion cause you won't lock it. Lock.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in, get blessed by the breakout. Yeah. Coffee steam and a green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the channel. Verse 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Gospel in the game. I lay on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.
Llama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with a grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Hallelujah, hallelujah on the floor.
Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo.
Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow.
Aiming in the chat when the
Trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo. Candles talk. What they saying? They say trend strong. Y'all keep praying. Which shout? What they showing? They show turnarounds. Time to get going. Red to green. Congregation stands. Green to red. They clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist. We'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
In the game on the floor.
Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo.
Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet.
Count it up. 1, 2. This the check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah. Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. They
Completely lost, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Grease said double up, fear said bail. Mine doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cut and win short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's a first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Llama, red pajama in the booth, big drama. Turn it down, turn it up, Big Daddy morning saga. Came from pennies in the sofa to the charts, top dollar. Self-taught, killer, naughty, study every comma. Used to heat the same stew, 3 nights, 1 pot. Now the plate look like a painting, chef talk, that's art. G-Wagon in the snow, tank tracks on the block. Used to watch from the sidewalk, now I'm on in the lot. Legos on the desk, build plays brick by brick. Click, clack, stack, stats, every candle, every tick. Merging numbers with the nerve, yeah, I been my own script. Fibs on the chart, in a circle in my grip. I don't follow, I invented, I don't care if you agree. Unapologetic when I speak on the feed. You get feelings, I get fees. Funding pace for my beliefs. From the basement to the beacon, I'm the voice you gotta meet. Big Daddy. Llama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Llama, red pajama. Taught myself the game, turn the charge to a Bible. Saw fear in the wick, smell greed in the cycle. Mixing golden lines with the zones from the rise. You reprice, I read people, that's the difference in survival. I see stops like targets, crowd thought like a map. I don't chase, I said traps, let them sprint into the gap. Got them psych, get sharp, every loss just better. Detached from the paper, then the profits come later. Breakfast segment, hot takes on the plate. Oh, yeah. Serve eggs, serve facts, both cook, both flame. Sip coffee in the studio, G-Wagon at the gate. From late night charge to my name on the gate. I got haters in the chat, but they never change the trend. They react, I anticipate, I was cashing while they pressing. Floor to the Forbes, every step I had to plan. Now my word move crowds like a wave from my hand. Llama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Llama, red pajama. I don't flinch at the dip, I've been broken, I've been bruised. I don't fold on a tick, I decide what I lose. I don't marry any view, I just marry execution. My advantage is the calm in the middle of confusion.
Mind control, I choose. knows what I feel. Crowd screams, I stay still. They see candles, I see wheels. One thought, one click, one meal. When cheap meals go nice in the tasting menu. Life to the nickel sets for miles. To the chauffeur at my side. Same brain from the bottom, just upgraded how it fires. Now I host the whole arena while I sharpen my desires.
Llama, red pajama. Came from not another mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Llama, red pajama. Last hour. Tik Tok. Who's left? Logan in the chair, screens glow like a war room. Chief on patrol, eyes locked on the chart zoom. Momentum on deck, he don't chase, he provoke it. Break line, snap, see him smash that. Order loaded, red, green, flipping like a strobe in a die ball. Spread so wide, you could drive a whole truck yard. He ride the rip, never scared of a sharp dip. Stops tucked tight, hands ready with the fast click. This that MRC candle, whole floor too hot to handle. Last hour fuel in the tank, go. Let it melt, let it blast, let it rain. Whoa, 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 whoa. Power hour rage in the system. If you blink, then you miss some. From the bell to the close on the clock face. We ride that end of day shockwave. Power hour rage in the system. Power hour blink, then you miss some. Power hour rage in the system. We ride that end of day shockwave. Javi the maestro, fingers on fire, no rest. Scalps in the snap, every tick is a drum test. And then he gone like he vanished in a quick flash. 2, 3 points, then he goes with a clean stash. Buying that flush, selling rips on the rebound. Heartbeat sync to the tape and the feet sound. He served the chop, make it dance in the wild sway, stacking up.
Back on the gym grind, eating healthy. We're at like 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks, no nicotine. Eating healthy. I'm peaking this year. Peaking this year. Llama will be joining in a minute now, guys. Llama will be joining in a minute now. Max is taking care of some stuff. He will also be here. I'm just temporarily filling in.
Temporarily fill those cheeks. Bag it.
We're on YouTube. We're on YouTube.
Production. Get that one out. But like, definitely, you know, I would have. That makes me straight. Right?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, I don't have nothing open. OBS.
I'm so locked in right now, dude. I'm ready. I'll take trades for us. Give me your accounts. I'll log in right now. Trade both of us.
Please don't say that. I'll give you my accounts right now, please. That.
This coffee is kicking. Colombian coffee house. I think they put a little Colombian Bam Bam in here or something.
Do you? We got a little bit of that Colombian. Fuck. A little bit of that Colombian. To the top, it had no motion. Push my camera. Hello, camera. All right. 30 points and rolling. Good shit, coach. At this point, you have enough free room to just hold through, see if 930 blesses. 930 could potentially go to 670. If it does reject this, it's going to pound on.
Everybody trade good day, and almost clap.
Get off my damn stage. Hold on. Profit roll call. You guys
30 seconds until liftoff. Not a stain. It's lightning bolts because I'm wearing Thor. Nice try, ball, Dan. Nice try, dude.
He's
I
got
got
traded
Thor
a
on.
rag. That's impressive.
Tried to catch me. Tried to catch me.
Loading. Let's see.
Here
670,
we go.
potential 710. See, does 930 bless the bros or no?
Here we go. Bang. Gonna wait on it. Gonna wait on it.
30 might potentially bless the bros. There goes
Gonna
650.
wait on it.
And see 670, potential 710.
Wait on it.
670, potential 710. Llama share. Logan, you want charts or me?
It's all you, homie. Get that new
TP1
indie.
smashed. Partial out at TP1. T is 670 is going to be TP2. 667, 670 right there. Hold on. 669, 1 point away. Another partial.
And also, I'm
70
in
on
this
the
long.
money. 710
Yep.
final price target.
I'm also in this long
Heavy
ski.
partial here. 710 final price target. See if it goes to it or not. Heavy partial here. Don't let nothing ride too heavy there.
Love for it to break this area right here at 675.
At 6.7?
Love for it to break 675.
See, this is area of heavy rejection. Yep. That's why you partial out at the 670, boys. 3% off. This week's out, we could potentially get that 710 fully out already. Maybe get back in depending if this could doji and give a potential 3Z, then it's interesting. But this is quality what I look for downers. Might give that move back up on the 32nd. I think we're 3-barring through already.
Yep.
Got to break that high. It could potentially go 710 here. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna jump back in.
I'm about to
Even though
jump
it
in.
could go for 40 points. Has room for 40. Not that bad, Logs.
I
just
like
don't
it.
wanna-
We pop through this 675. We're good for another 30 points.
Did you say if we pop through this 6-7? Is that what you said real quickly? Did you say 6-7? Did you say 6-7? We catch a print through on this on the 32nd. I might have to jump short, but it's got to print through this on the 30. Take it. A thick old candle. Patiently waiting here, boys. You know what we got here. If you know, you know. And you know what we got here, we got to be. You feel what I'm saying? If you know, you know. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm. Tap it in here. 30's giving a tap. Does it go through or not? 30 pops up.
Ripping.
If it pops up, we could get the 710 here.
Print through 89. And we're going.
Let's see, young lady. Young lady. This is that tap back inside. Does it print through though? Is the question. This is a super area of indecision for me because this could definitely hit this, pop back up here, or if it breaks through, it could just really melt down. So it could literally go up or down. Like literally. Quick sauce box projection. There you go, Javi. There you go. I was thinking, oh, did I tell you the name I was thinking about, Logan, for my indicator?
Saucebox?
No. Bro, why would I take Javi shit like that? Are you crazy? We're gonna name it P2P Sauce Hunter Pro Box Breaker.
I like it. I like it.
With that,
I like it. I like it.
there's a rejection off the skibbity. See, this might give its move here. That's kind of like a perfect type of the TDO. I think it might be. How far would SL be if you go all the way at the bottom of that candle? It's kind of far. It's like 20, 30 points with the SL down there if you go for a long.
Very wiki again. Very wiki start morning again. Gold is almost at
Another
TP.
wiki mon and
Gold is almost at TP. Print. It's
you
actually
could have my
scaling.
sauce box anytime. Very interesting. Very interesting statement, Avi. Very interesting statement, Avi. There's a break right back under. See if it
Bang.
prints through this. I think shorts are gonna be a fucking movie, but it's got to print through it clean on the 30 at least. You need to see a print on the 30 for it to really dump with force.
TP hit on gold.
There's a full breakdown. Hold on. Does this wick out now or now? We got 13 seconds. 13 seconds. Does this fully break down? A nasty print. Oh, we fired off on the 30-second. That's interesting. Pop all the way back up. Does it pop all the way back up? Indicator fired off a short. Is it worth testing? I don't really like it on ES though.
Ripping in this gold trade right now.
There's our print through. Kind of interested.
I'm
Kind
up
of interested
6
in the
points.
short. Like where would my stop be? Stop goes at 72, 20 points. See if we can go higher potentially. Make it like a 12-point SO if you jump here. Because I can't trust the overtime.
I'm up huge on this. Got my stop loss on gold at 89.5 and 88.5. Under the previous
Gold's ripping. Jesus fucking Christ.
I'm up 60 ticks right now.
Holy shit, gold's ripping. Look at it one more time. Like,
oh, it's still going.
Gold's moving right now. Yeah, NQ's sitting kind of like in the same range. We just took out the opening candle.
Oh my
As much
god.
as I want to take it. Yep. Thank God I didn't jump at that. Indicator fired off. I don't want to trust it.
Oh my
Can't trust it on the 30-second.
This gold is ripping.
Can't trust it on the 30-second. How's it looking on the 2-minute? Wick out. Nasty wick out. Still no print through on the higher time frames. 30-second. Can't trust the 30-second all the time, guys. Can't trust it. Gotta zoom out a bit. Are we looking? Do we finish 5-minute candle? Yep. Doji pop up. I want to go for that 710 is my question.
I'm up $1,800 on this gold long right now. I scaled into it. I'm up $1,800 right now on this gold long. If we pop above 676, like and hold above that in the long on NQ, I think it's going to rip up still.
But gold, you think? I think gold.
No, NQ. Gold is ripping. I'm still in this long on gold. It's ripping, but I'm talking about NQ where it keeps hesitating at the 676. If it pops through that, it's good for another 30 points.
Did you say 6-7? We're sitting in this range where I want to see if it can break out to either side. I want to see if it goes to 710, but if we catch a print through this on the higher time frame, then more interesting. 30 seconds not convincing.
Close out the gold trade for $1,100. It's a good start.
Nasty wick on both sides. Like, look at this. Nasty wick, nasty wick. Still haven't taken nothing. Waiting for news. What? There's news today? Tell me there's news today. Oh, we're breaking back down.
No, there's no news today.
Pretty sure there was no news today. Breaking back down now on fucking accusers. I should have clicked that button. Those are just too aggressive for me to want to jump in. Oh, we have 9:45 news. I have news. 6 minutes.
It was just yellow folder. Actually, it's not even yellow folder.
There's a 1-minute fire off, but I just don't trust it with this 710. 1-minute fire off though. I might just get a tester in, I guess, and see what it's hitting for. As much as I really don't want to. Have to see what it's hitting. See if we can trust the fire off or not. Just haven't broken out of the range yet, bro. I'm sitting at the bottom of the range, which is pissing me off. Do we wait for after news or what?
I mean, I got nothing right now.
Minutes of waiting.
I got no setups for me. No.
Yours hasn't fired yet. It's because you have a market structure. You have to turn that off. Let's see, we're back in the fucking range. Break out of it, then it's good. But this might go all the way to 710. Very hesitant on that 710. Wicking off the 5 minute. We're under the 5 minute orb on both. This is a nasty rejection. This could give a breakout and make it this range. This is like very small for orb. It should make a bigger orb. There goes. There she goes. Clean. Very clean. Loading up some profits right now. Loading up decent profits, but I want to see it has to break through now. This if it breaks this low, it could be free range. Moving up 20 points right now. I have to flatten before news. As much as I don't want to, I think I might have to flatten. I'll flatten all before that news hits. I'm gonna flatten all there. I have to flatten before news.
I'm frozen. Am I really? All right, let me disconnect and come back real quick.
Oh, I fully closed trying to add a fucking. Oh, I hate this platform. This shit's tanking right now. ES has to go lower though. There's a divergence. NQ taking these lows. ES is still sitting. I was able to collect some profits. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, but we were able to collect some profits here. Nothing too crazy. Just don't want to hold for that news play. Get him back up. Where did he go? There he is. Not too convinced, guys. I'm not too convinced. I'm gonna have to wait for this news. I did take the short. I did take it down. Once we took the low, I got out because yes, it's just stalling. I don't like to stall out.
Yep. I don't see anything right now.
There's no news. All right. I'm opening up Forest Factory. You're getting me hot right now. It's yellow folder, you fucking cocksucker.
I told you that. I literally said that.
I couldn't hear you, twin.
I literally said that.
Jesus Christ. I'm out here fucking waiting for that dog shit.
Could have held that short and you would have been good for a little bit more.
Yeah, no. Ah, man. Fucking yellow folder. MG, we're gonna get on a call and go over everything tomorrow. But after the show, we'll go through. We'll try to get on like a pre-call. Try to get on a pre-call. Wait this out. See if 9:45 does anything. At the end of the day, it's still PMI. We didn't see.
Micros are stuck. Good shit, dude. Well, welcome to the CSO battalion.
Still sitting at this midline here, but this break could bring it to that 710. I'm really just hesitant on the 710, which is another reason why I didn't want to take the short. And to me, the long's not really worth taking, in my opinion. As much as I keep calling this area up here, this 710, it's just not worth it for me, in my opinion. If it goes, I'm just gonna let it go and see if we can short it again after.
I want to go for a quick scalp. If we pop above this range, it's just been tested too many times.
If it breaks this range, it should go for 35 points.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
not bad.
Exactly. Yep.
Like, it's not bad, but it's just I don't want to. I know how I get, bro. When I start taking more trades, I already took one. I take a second one, and then I'm gonna look for the third. It becomes a problem.
Feel that. Feel that. Yep. Yep. Here we go.
There's your break. There's your break. This literally looks like a pivot hunter play,
Yep.
right? Not tripping on that.
Not yet.
Literally looks
Not
like
yet.
that.
It will be soon, but overall, this is just based on market structure, which I like a lot. So
What's the difference between P2P and your 1-to-1? 1-to-1 is direct one-on-one access to me.
smashed.
Versus just a course.
Smashing.
Oh,
There we go.
I would target 710. It could probably break. Like I would target a little bit over the 710, like a breakthrough. See what happens.
I lead it to 7. I got resistance at 708, and then from there, we'll see what happens. My stop losses are acting crazy right now. Moving on
Access to you sounds gay. Direct one-on-one access to me. Can't get that anywhere else. Trade of 8 is lagging. I haven't even.
Yeah, that's what I'm having an issue with. It's like opening and closing.
One trade on Trade of 8 yet.
It's closing. It's not moving my stop losses. My auto trail isn't working. Very weird.
Charts right now. Can't move my stops. Oh my god, that's scary.
Yeah, I'm logging. My stops aren't moving. My auto trails aren't moving. What is going on?
All right,
I'm holding the trade at least.
3, like it's fucking ripping. All you need is for it to keep ripping. One more explosive candle will be pretty ideal.
This is sketchy. This is very sketchy. Part of me wants to flatten all, and part of me wants to just hold it. It's so I like the long still. I'm just gonna hold it. Fuck it.
Moving, it's definitely moving.
I'm up 30 points now. Oh my gosh, we're going. There we go. I'm ripping. There we go.
There she goes.
There we go. Yep. I'm up 40
where
points.
Where does it want to go to is the next question.
My next resistance, I wasn't even set up my areas up there. I'm ripping. But fuck it.
Let's see when it tries to stop. I'm gonna be looking for shorts around this. Really just keep going. If it can start making a move for us.
Better close
Not
out.
bad here.
Not yet. I'm almost out.
You're gonna see more than this.
Still in it.
Yeah, a lot more than this.
Got my stop loss right under this candle. All right, I'm out of the trade. That was fucking.
The trade,
take that.
The trade, my boy.
40 points.
The trade, my boy. Break back into orb here is definitely going to be very interesting for us. Break back into orb would be probably a sell in my. Got to see if it's going to break back or not. Got to see if it's going to break back under or not. Definitely giving us good reaction here. And yes. Oh. All right. We're heading down to orb. Let's see if it bounces off orb or if it fully breaks in. Real question we have for today. First question we have for today is, does it just bounce off orb? Or does it just break in and fucking just melt through the whole range? That would be ideal. But wait here though. ES needs to start reacting cleaner because ES could just make this completely shoot up. Yep, there goes ES. Right as I said it. ES could go for this shoot up to here and then that becomes a problem. then that can become a problem. Like, wait on it. Wait on it. Let's see. I want to see ES pop up a little bit more. If NQ could start to stall out around here and ES sweep up, come down, I'm so in there. Heavy as fuck, probably. I'll probably get in there crazy heavy.
And Q's got decent amount of room still. I just noticed. Gold is at a really important level. If we pop above 497, that could also rip up for another 13 points.
I need to see ES get more aggressive. NQ stall out. NQ taking a high there and ES not taking a high is a problem. Should have been the other way around. Okay.
This is going to be a pivot hunter trade if we get continuation.
See what happens.
Need to print through.
Really
maybe
want to see. I really want to see it start to curl back. Not it's going to be an issue.
All right, slow down, and then rip. Slow down. Give us 45, 43. All right, at 45, I'm going to jump in the long again.
Really want to see if it starts to curl back here. Now this just has room to keep going.
Yeah, I got up until 80, so I got another 40-point trade we can catch here. Yep. See if we can pop through here. Hesitating.
Waiting on this one. Really want to see if it can start to curl back or not.
Not yet. I'm not convinced yet. All right, we're going to take a stab at it again. I'm going to take another stab at it, Llama.
Take another one? I'm looking for a short, so be cautious here.
It's definitely hesitating right here, though. It's definitely hesitating. It's not as full. We're not getting any full bodies anymore. Yep.
I might just test one here, just get in light, and then if it can just start to curl, then I'll probably scale into it.
There he is.
Stretch my hands to you. This is what your life like. Try to
It's interesting.
it's like tight right. But it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my dad, told me yeah, Christ like. I was screaming at the referee, just like Mike, looking for a bright light.
Here we gotta see continuation.
Feeling like a sight fight, pressing on the gas, tripping over for a night light. Dreaming at my dad and he told me yeah, Christ like. But nobody never tell you when you're being like Christ.
Woo! Daddy's home. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the I'm Super Late Big Daddy Morning Show. How are we doing?
Like
Damn, the market's green.
Too shabby.
Market exploded. Yep.
Llama, what's up, baby? Logan, talk to me, boys. What do we got going on, guys? Real quick. So we got a lot of crazy shit going on today. This is gonna be a crazy show. I see a lot of profits banging. Who hit the banger?
A few bangers.
I called out.
Few bangers
Couple.
already.
Back to back double bangers from the boys. Rose, let's go, Rose. All right. If they dropped a banger, then I need to drop a banger. If they dropped a banger, then I need to drop a banger.
I want to see this fucking tank, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
All right, here. I got one right here. I got a banger right here. Oh shit, I actually got a really good one. Oh shit, I got a really good one right here. You ready? You guys want me to drop this fucking banger or not?
What I do, twin? Here. What I do, twin?
Oh shit, this is actually a hold on. This is actually A plus plus plus. Hold on. I'm about to go heavy in this. You ready?
What I do here, twin? Oh no. There it is.
Oh shit.
Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Oh shit. Oh my god. This is huge.
I'm long on gold.
This is big. The P2P indicator is live. The
that
P2P
banger.
indicator is live officially. If you want to lock in with Big Daddy Llama and the fucking greatest ICT indicator in the world, this is the one-stop shop. Guys, don't fuck around. If you're a student, you might have gotten access, but I'll tell you right now, do not mess around with Llama and his game. We have back tested this for months, recoded, rescripted, reperfected. This thing is dangerous. This is a dangerous item. And remember, lock in to the private chat. You get fucking coach, full access to coach. If you have any questions, if you guys need anything, lock in. The P2P indicator is live and it is amazing. Enjoy, tap in. It's only a $30 holla for a week. Make sure you guys lock in with Llama and the squad. Let me log into my brokerages now that I got that piece of gorgeous news out. My love Austin.
Gold long, by the way. If anybody else is
beautiful run up here.
I really want this NQ short. I want to get the tester in.
I'm about to start a micro short, probably.
Yeah.
We got more crazy shit happening in like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. So stay posted, stay locked in, stay posted, because we got more shit happening just in a couple minutes here. Get ready. I hope y'all are ready. We got a show for y'all, boy. We got a show for y'all, boy. But let Big Daddy get into a trade real quick. The P2P indicator is live. And for those of you watching on YouTube, for the YouTube test, I don't know if we're still live on YouTube, but make sure you log into the Max Options Trading Discord or the WAP, and you'll get official link access to the new P2P indicator, the newest indicator in our suite. We're very excited for it. So make sure you guys tap in. Oh no, the long looks really good.
Yeah, I'm jumping in if we
I want to see if it breaks through this high or not. Honestly,
we hit 50. I'm long.
This trend.
Yep, I'm long. I'm long on that.
Nate, you're giving away sauce right there. You're giving away sauce. Don't be talking about those. Always Nate, bro. I feel like Nate always getting me hot, bro.
They just locked in.
There goes along.
Let's go. We have a huge announcement. More announcements coming up. More announcements. I didn't think we could have so many announcements. I apologize for being late. Actually, I don't apologize for fucking nothing. The Big Daddy Mox, the two-time champ, apologizes for nothing. But I will tell you this.
What's gonna happen here? Do we get a full break or no?
You guys are not going to want to miss the crazy shit that's about to go down on the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's about to go down, Llama.
Yeah. Down to Pound Town or no?
Down
to Pound Town or knee?
Huh?
Down to Pound Town or kneesy?
Down to what?
Do it go Pound Town or no? Tell me.
Oh, baby, go Pound Town, baby. It's okay for me. Remove 60 and 57.
See.
Oh, honey, you like a Pound Town, baby. NQ, SPX looking really bullish. NQ.
Honey, I'm about to hit soon.
Damn, I'm so pissed I missed that break of Orb. How clean was that break?
It was gonna hit that break of look at that.
We're ripping on gold and NQ right now.
Logan, GPs what's on your shirt, dude? Ew.
It's lightning.
No,
I have
no.
Thor on my shirt
as a rag.
I've got no problem admitting when I fucking had to
clean one out. Go ahead, finish. What were you saying?
I mean, when I had to clean one out. I have no problem admitting.
But you've rocked your own shirt before?
That's impressive.
You got that's all you got around you.
Previous word.
No, but like you rocked your own. You don't rock your own shirt.
No, that'd be weird because I'd be like, I'm doing. You know what I mean? That's like You're
I feel like
firing in
10
the
a.m.
wrong direction.
candle is going to be explosive right now, boys. Don't
You
know if
just
hopefully down, but
this guy
this
just
could give
admitted
an
Dome rocking
explosion
his
right
own
there.
shirt.
No,
Yeah, he did. He did. I heard it. He did.
He said that.
He
That's
said that,
technically
and I
that would
heard
be
it.
technically
Does
that
the
would be
shirt
gay.
have STDs now?
Now
Technically that would be gay.
now the shirt has syphilis. Now the shirt has gonorrhea. That's impressive.
I noticed some red marks on the other side of the shirt. What's that?
What's that about?
He looked. What an idiot. Guys, we have a great
10 a.m.
freaking
candle. Let's
day
see what we're gonna do.
and show. Logue, I love you. Why don't you jump down because
Later.
I gotta
Yep.
get this
Tripping.
guy up here. I don't know if you guys noticed, and know some of you have, but we have a special guest here today. Probably doesn't. We have a
Does it give
special
a
guest
10
here
a.m. reverse
today.
key?
I'm gonna get this guy up on the show.
10 a.m. reverse key does it just keep exploding all the way up to 800. Pretty
Yes,
much.
guys, we have.
Up at 10 a.m.
You
reverse key.
need
Good deal.
to join the stages.
Oh, there's a ripper. Who's on it?
Life
Staircase.
light. This is what your life like.
There's a staircase. There's a staircase. Hold on. Does it give a 10 a.m.
My
reverse key or
love,
cross
I
key?
say. We're going all time high.
I think it's heading that way, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's heading that way. It's a very like
Tradeovate messed up your account, dude. That sucks, but I have a hard time understanding how Tradeovate messed up your account.
it's people were saying that it was lagging today. It's giving like this is why I hate the up moves. Like explosive chop, explosive chop, explosive chop, explosive. Down moves just be like red.
My love, I stay.
Would you guys say you like to sell or buy more? Like, what do you guys like to do more? Personally, I'm always more bearish. Always.
I like to absolutely go long.
Really
Sell
like
is
to sell.
quick. Sell is quick and it's pretty nice. I'm all about the long.
Always trying to short, bro. Why?
I'm all about the long. I mean, it's just statistics. The market is gonna go. It's just gonna go up more than it goes down. So you want to be able on the you want to be on the right side of that.
Right. I feel like an orb tap is necessary though. Go through orb, no retest, nothing on neither of them. Very impressive. Very impressive.
My love,
Very
I
rarely does it do
stay.
that. Love a good
Starting to
long,
consolidate a little bit.
On a game.
Starting to
I
consolidate
wanna-
a little bit.
I want to see if we could break back under like 750 and then like it's gonna look really nice. Kind of trolling.
We
It
are
was top and then a big
consolidation praise. Guys, welcome to the stage. Is he here? I just met this guy, but apparently
Really
he's the
excited, huh?
CEO of Lucid Trading, one of the newest,
Hmm.
fastest growing props in the
Hello.
game.
Hello.
A lot of you guys have been telling me about it. They have very simple trader-friendly rules, same-day activations, no activation fees, no reoccurring payments, great discounts, and apparently they pay out and have some of the top customer support in the game. Have you guys ever heard of this guy, AJ from Lucid Trading? Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show.
Thanks for having me, guys. Appreciate that warm introduction.
Absolutely, brother. So how's it going? First, real quick, who are you? Because my people have been like Lucid Trading for like the last few weeks. Javi, one of my most profitable student, and he has a live show in the Power Hour. He's getting payouts from you guys. He's like, this place is pretty cool. But who are you?
Yeah, it's funny. I think a lot of these, a lot of my competitors, they have their CEO is kind of like a known person, whether it's like an influencer or they've been a personality in the space for a while. I've had like no social media whatsoever before I started this. I did a trading podcast with two of my buddies that like 15 people listened to. So that was kind of my
Nice.
that's how I put my stake in there. But no, I'm just my buddies and I, we all traded prop firms for, starting in 2021, back when there were only like 2 or 3 options. And over the years we kind of just saw that we thought there was an opportunity because we just so happened to like have every individual skill set, like, back end engineer, front end engineer, marketing. And we're like, we could do this. We could do it probably better than everyone else.
Right.
We never said that at the beginning. We tried to be a little bit more humble, but I think now that we're kind of 8 or 9 months in here, I think the results kind of actually speak for themselves at this point.
Okay, so you're 8 or 9 months in. That's an interesting back. Was the podcast any good?
It was called Painting the Tape. So you can listen and you can be the judge of that, but I think you would like it. It's just three guys that are kind of shooting the shit, about trading. It wasn't like, I wouldn't say it was like educational in the sense that we're, teaching strategy, but more like just kind of talking about the journey of what it's like to be someone that's self-taught and navigating, the trading education space, which is that's kind of a interesting journey that I feel like a lot of traders, and I'm sure you went through this too, Max, right? Like you first, pick up your first piece of information about trading and you're like, this is, amazing. This is the best thing I've ever read. And then, 3 months in, you're like, I'm not making any money yet. And so how good is this information? And then you kind of,
I actually had a very different, unique story. Had no idea what I was doing, and I didn't realize it was real. And my brother just told me to get into options, and so I longed Apple, AMD, Alibaba, and Walmart were like I just longed them. I had 30,000 in my account, and I hit long weeklies, 10K, 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 and I was like, see what happens. And I made $40,000 that week, and I was like, whoa. This is back in 2018, AJ. So I had a very unique, is this real? And then it hit my bank account and I was like, this is real. I doubled down. I did the same exact trades the next week and made 30 more. And I was like,
that's awesome.
I need to do this. And back then I was looking at, so my first, what you just mentioned, my first ever was looking at my Robinhood chart on my phone, waiting for a bounce and going, I'm in calls. That was Max 2018 trading.
You want to know my first trade was shorting Tesla with puts really heavy. Oof. So very opposite direction of what you had.
Right.
But I was hooked. I was hooked nonetheless. You know what I mean?
How long have you been trading like in the game?
Well, so I started like actually trading around 2019. But I've been in like markets forever. Like I was a wealth management before that. I had my Series 7 66. So I wasn't trading, day trading for myself, but
really, you got those? Okay, so you have some qualifications and certs in the background. So you're not just a random guy who started a prop firm because he drives a Lamborghini and has 1 million followers.
No, I'd have no Lamborghini. I have no Lamborghini. I don't have the certs anymore. They expired probably almost actually 12 months ago. If you don't do continuing education, you don't keep them. And since I'm not in the business anymore, I'm not going to sit on a webinar for 3 hours, answering questions about how to design someone's grandma's portfolio, which is basically what a CE is.
Right.
But yeah, so no, it was, that was my career for, about 10 years, working with, clients on portfolio management. We also did like continuity planning, which is about working with business owners and kind of setting them up to, either sell or transition to the next generation.
Right.
And I think, that is something that definitely helped with the prop firm because I worked in all different sorts of industries and I saw what worked for a business and what didn't, and, the struggles that they went through. And that's definitely equipped us well for this industry because this is the prop firm industry is pretty crazy. So
it's a pretty wild one. Yeah, no, it's definitely a wild game that we're in. So you have extensive background. One of our best and most profitable students in the game right here, Nate, says, here's 5K payout from Lucid recently. And you guys have awesome rules. So my 60,000 degenerates here, AJ, can you kind of explain Lucid's plans and what makes you guys unique compared to the massive prop explosion that we're seeing?
Right. Yeah. So I think the biggest thing with our plans is there's a couple things that apply to all of them that I think they're being adopted a little bit more, but they stood out a lot more when we launched because we did it first. We went to the one-time fee model, right? From basically day one. We've never charged a monthly subscription. So nice. I think most traders, they're either going to pass or blow an account within 30 days, but there's a subsection that do like to take their time And I think that people appreciate that we went to a one-time fee model because it does take that like time sensitivity of passing the eval kind of off their shoulders. I know for myself, like when I would get to like day 28, if I was still like trying to pass an eval, what I'm gonna do is like, well, I'm gonna get rebuild anyway, so I'm
YOLO.
just gonna YOLO it, right?
Exactly.
So
Been there.
we wanted to
I
take
love
that
that
off
from
the
you.
table. Listen, like I said, I started one of these because I've been on the other side for a long time, so
Right.
I'm deep in the mind of the degenerate trader, very much so. That's why
I love that.
people like us.
Yeah, I
Um,
love that.
but yeah, so we went to the
Sure
one-time
look
fee
good.
model. We have a 30-day inactivity rule, so like we don't
You
delete
don't have a
people's accounts.
7-day.
No,
You have a
no.
30-day inactivity. So for those of
Nice.
you that
That's
don't
good.
know, if you
Give
don't
people the
trade a
room.
prop firm, and if you look in the fine print from most prop firms, they have a 7-day inactivity rule where if you don't trade for a 7-day period, they will close your accounts or
Mhm.
fail them, deactivate them, whatever their term is. But AJ's saying that you cannot trade for up to 30 days, and you guys,
Yep.
so on 29 days, I can come back and go, oh shit, I have this Lucid account, pop a trade in, and I'm good.
Yep. And we actually email you at days 20 and 25, like giving you some warnings. We don't, we're really not trying to, erase people's work, but there's a point like we get billed for accounts on our back end and people do
Right.
abandon
Right.
accounts. So it's like, hey, if we hit you up at days 20 and days 25 and you still haven't traded, we just assume that, you're out. But, that was important to us because I'll never forget. I was on my honeymoon in 2021 and I was trading a prop and we went to Italy and my wife's like, let's go out to brunch. I'm like, hold on, I gotta like log into our trader and like put on a couple micros. She's like, what I don't even understand what you're saying, but
You
I'll
will
just
in a
never
second,
forget.
babe, when I pay for this
Yeah.
whole vacation, $2 a point.
Exactly. I was like, I gotta keep these accounts alive. She's looking at me like I was smoking crack, and I'm like, you know what? We don't need to put people through that.
Have you ever tried crack, AJ?
Not recently.
Nice.
Okay, I
That's
also
it.
like that from you a lot. I
Yeah.
also like that from you a lot. It's very good. Where did you go to college? Since you're educated, where'd you go to college?
I went to Temple.
Temple? You're
Mhm.
Jewish?
Yeah. Yes. No, it's in
Oh,
Philly. But yes, I am Jewish actually. You can
yeah.
that could be information that we can
What'd you
come
what'd you
out.
just say?
I am Jewish on my mother's side.
Oh shit.
My
Yep.
brother. Welcome. Welcome, brother. Welcome.
I'm actually now officially out of the kosher closet. This is the first time I've shared that information publicly.
Out of the kosher closet is funny as
Kosher
fuck.
closet. Crazy.
I've never heard that before. Guys, let's put a round, great big shalom. I'm Jewish. Everyone knows I'm a big, great Jew on my mother's side as well. Loud and proud.
There we go.
Shalom.
That's it, baby. Let's go. Big
You
W
know,
shaloms. Big
I
W
was
shaloms.
big W Schlims. I'm in my private life. Obviously everyone knows, but I was like, the X community, they're not too fond of our people, and
Right.
sometimes I'm like, maybe I should not shout that from the mountaintops, but it's like Michael Jordan said that Republicans, they buy sneakers too. People that don't like Jews buy evals as well. So I
That's
just wanna,
exactly listen, that's exactly right, baby.
No, that's right.
I have so many people that come into this server just because they hate me and they want to
Mhm.
sit here and talk shit to me, and then they give me 3 or 4 days and they love me. And they're like, you know
Right.
what? I'm locked in, code BDM. I'm even a student now. And
There we go.
so, it's absolutely true. It's
Well,
absolutely true.
now that a Jewish-owned prop firm and the biggest the Jewish-owned stream are partnered together, they're just going to assume that this is another industry that our people have cornerstones. So we've got
Yeah.
the government, we've got the world government cabal, we've got Hollywood, and now we've got the prop firm industry.
That's it.
So the network is
Love the
strong.
world.
Yep.
Right. Yeah. Right. I
Love
love
the world, bro. Holy
That's
shit.
super funny. That's super fucking funny, dude. That's awesome. So here's one thing I'd like to ask. I know it's your first time here. Appreciate you sharing a little bit about your backstory and the firm. So you're the first no subscription model, like one-time fee. You guys have no activation fees, so you're not pulling in any residuals on the back end there.
Mhm.
One thing that's big in the prop space right now, do you guys have a live program, and kind of what's your route to live look like?
Yeah, so our route to we do have a live program, and it's we have a lot now that we like have Ninja Trader for a few months. We have a lot more live traders that are kind of transitioning. So what we do actually a lot there that's different. First thing first is, whatever is deposited on day one into your brokerage account, which is right now up to $30,000, that is actually fully withdrawable with no restrictions. So when people get moved live, whatever we have some people that can move live, and let's say it's more than 30K, they can take 15, 20K right upon the move to live, immediately. The way that I see it is, once when traders move live, that money's gonna be deposited into a brokerage account, right? So it's already like off our books. So I don't know what the harm is, and if I have to deposit it into a brokerage account or process it to a payout to the trader, I don't really see I don't see the downside, right? If someone says, hey, you know what, I want to start with a small account, I'd rather have 20K in my pocket right now. It's literally makes no difference to me. It actually makes me feel a little bit better because I know that, the transition to live is hard for a lot of people. So they take a nice chunk of money, they pay themselves. And even if it doesn't work out in live, they don't feel too bad about it because they took a lot of risk off. Beyond that, we do a couple different things. We have like an escrow and bonus system. So we have larger move to live caps because we deposit a portion of it on day one. And then we have some that stays in escrow that, is releasable once you're profitable. And it's just because, we do want to see people, throwing like, 100, 200K at people. And they're like, oh, like, I'll just put it all in the brokerage account. And then they draw it down. It just like it breaks my heart a little bit because I'd rather that money go into their pockets than go to the market. So we kind of release the bigger part. Everything above 30K, we at least release it in increments as people demonstrate profitability. But we also, in exchange for that, we also match what is held in escrow with a bonus. So you could actually earn additional capital from Lucid as you trade profitably in live. And I think that was something that was super important because of one of the biggest criticisms about, prop in live, and it's a fair criticism, is that it's kind of like a stop out for the firm, right? They take profitable traders, they put them live, and then they're just like, give you a pat on the ass and say, good job, and you're on your own. So we wanted to provide like an additional incentive so that when people are like, oh, like, why should I trade live with you? It's like, well, if you get moved with a large enough balance, we're going to give you more money. So I think that's a strong narrative.
Yeah, absolutely. That's huge. You get the bonuses, you get the incentives. You guys have a crazy strong live program. That's really nice.
We also we support daily payouts as well. So it's a brokerage account.
Daily payouts. Do you have daily payouts?
In live requests.
Okay.
So we want people to treat it like a normal brokerage account, right? Like if you have an account with Dorman or Ninja Trader Brokerage, you don't have to meet 20% consistency or hit a minimum trading days to request a payout. You just send them an email and say, hey, give me my money. So we want traders to be able to do that with us. There's like no objectives or anything like that. You just, you have a red day, you take money as long as there's balance, obviously. You have a green day, you can take payouts daily. We also allow swing trading in our live accounts.
What do you mean by that?
Like you can hold overnight. You can hold overnight as long as you can cover the margin. Yeah.
Whoa.
It's hard to
other props allow that.
Yeah. Well, there's there's risk to the reason that most firms don't allow it is because even though the account is like other traders, like you have a sub account, it's under the firm's account. Like if a trader gets into a margin call, the trader doesn't get the call, I do. So it's a little bit of extra administrative overhead to make sure that, going into the close, nobody is, long 10 minis with, with $4,000 in the account. But it's just extra work for us. And we think we don't mind putting in the work if it gives traders a better experience.
Yeah, that's badass. And so, I mean, because you're just you're like booking them on your master account, is that right? Is how we're kind of like when you have
we're not for us, we're relatively like new, like our live program, we're probably by the end of, I want to say sometime in February, we'll have 100 people move live. So like at the moment, we're just focusing on making that process more efficient. Like we're not doing anything, like we're obviously not the clearing firm. We're not like doing anything with people's positions at the moment. We're just want to like, a lot of our competitors, like they can get people in their live accounts from when they move to live and trading in like 2 or 3 days. We're not there yet. But that's like one of our goals is to make that time from
To get there.
getting moved live to brokerage like as short as possible. The reality is like the Project X situation, slow development
What are
on a
your
couple
thoughts on
of
that? What are your thoughts on that?
so as I made an announcement yesterday, that we're done. We stopped the purchase of new accounts in December, and we stopped selling resets as of yesterday. And I cannot tell you how happy I am to know that we're not selling we're not creating new accounts whatsoever of Project X. I mean, listen, I
Wow.
think that people love the platform, right? The
Yeah.
people that love Project X, they love it. And I think it shows that the space is a little bit ready for disruption. I mean, NinjaTrader Tradeovate is the king of prop accounts.
Right.
Rhythmic is a lot bigger than people realize because they're one of the biggest live data feed providers.
Yeah.
And I think that you're going to see a lot of companies, I know a lot of our competitors are working on, their own internal platforms, right? I think people see what Top Step did with Project X and that success, and they're like, let me get into that. I
Yep.
think that there are other companies that are also going to be, making a push to roll out a platform. I think 2026 is, if you're, someone that is not thrilled with your platform over the next 12 months, you are going to have a lot of different things that you can test out.
Yeah.
For sure.
That's awesome. That's
But
really
the Project X situation, I'm just ready to not have to deal with the tickets from the outages. Really, I'm just so
Speaking
grateful
of,
to not
speaking
have
of
that.
tickets, you guys, one thing that was when I was doing my research, and a lot of people say you guys take pride in your customer service. Now we
Mhm.
have best props in the world. It's tough to get a hold of, biggest props in the game, with customer service. Then you have some props that are like, just tech savvy, don't really need the great. You guys take pride in your customer service. You want to talk on that a little bit? Because every
Yeah.
one of us as a prop trader has had a nightmare customer service story, like an
Yeah.
absolute nightmare customer service story. So, like, do you want to chat on that? Like, what?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that was kind of, if I were to say what was the hole in the market that I saw that I'm like, Lucid's going to fix it. It was that, user experience, customer support. The reality is traders spend a lot of money at these firms, and it was kind of crazy to me how often, even at these top firms, people are waiting like a week plus to get an answer.
Right.
I could buy, something $50 from Macy's, and I get a person on, a person in my ticket in minutes. And I'm like, that's one account. And we know people are buying more accounts. So like the level of support to the, to the amount of, money that traders are giving these firms is crazy. And I think it's because for a very long time, there were only a couple really like maybe 2 or 3 viable options, and they're like, well, they have to trade with us no matter how shitty we treat them, right? It's like they've almost got Stockholm syndrome, the traders. It's like, well,
Right,
they're
right.
they're beating me up, but they're the best account right now, so I can't go anywhere. And now that's changed, and we've really capitalized on that because we've 50% of our staff is our customer support team.
Wow.
So we have, I mean, you are never going to wait. I wouldn't want to say never. Most of the time, you're not going to wait. Like 90% of the time, you're not going to wait more than like 5 minutes to get a person talking
Wow.
to you. I think it's like 85% of our tickets are opened and closed and resolved in less than 30 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Part of that
Actual
is
humans?
actual humans.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
But some people actually just like
Where?
to talk to AI. Where are they?
Humans where?
50% of them are based in the US, 25 of them percent of them are based in Europe, and the other 25% in Asia. So
Okay.
like we're all
Not
over the
bad.
place, the support team. But it's
Pretty
like,
sick.
we want it around the clock. We have our support runs 24 hours from Sunday at 6 to Friday at 8. Saturday,
Oh, yeah.
Friday nights and Saturdays they're off because the market's closed and there's really nothing that could
Right,
be
right.
possibly time sensitive at that time. We are looking to get some weekend help, but it would just be for making sure that Sunday like inbox queue is not that high.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, we have like half of our team is support. We're always adding people. I mean, the reality is like for a lot of, even if it's a small issue for a trader, like time is money. Every
Right.
minute that you're waiting, that you have an issue that you can't trade account, like how it is. Like traders are watching the chart and they're like, there goes my trade, right? Like I can't, I
Yeah.
missed a trade. They missed 10 trades because they're waiting for support, and it's terrible. So making sure that there are human beings there to
Right.
resolve the issues was like a foundational like tenet for us.
Yeah, that's
Um,
huge.
then the other part that kind of goes hand in hand with that, a little different, is the technology. We're kind of caught up now in terms of having all the bells and whistles, but like early on, like our website was fine, but it wasn't, the enterprise level that some of our competitors have. And it's because we invested like all of our money and resources into the back end. Our dashboard is real time, meaning that if you take a trade within 5 to 30 minutes, that's going to be reflected on your dashboard.
Wow.
That also works for
That's
activations.
huge.
So when you hit your profit target in eval, you're going to get that activation button in 5 to 30 minutes, and then account creation takes like 2 or 3 minutes. So you hit profit target, you're going to be trading a funded account in max like 35
35
minutes.
minutes, you're back on the
Yeah,
charts.
absolute
Getting your-
max.
Yeah.
and you're getting your
Yeah.
first day in for a funded.
Exactly. And most, like I said, I say 35 minutes because that's the longest it takes. For most traders, it's like from profit target to funded account, it's like
Right.
5, So
I'm trying to
How many
trying
accounts
to
can you
like
have?
make people understand the power of a good website and back end software prop. Like
mhm.
for a prop, like people, most retail traders, they look at the they look at the plans, they look at the payout structure, and 90% of them don't even get a payout, but they're bitching about the payout structure. It doesn't make sense. But then like you really underestimate how great the platform itself has to be to run smoothly. And the
Yep.
better the tech is, the better the back end, the software, the better the front end runs, right? Those executions, the lot going from eval to funded, all the customer support tickets, all of that clogs a prop, And so if you got all that shit squared away, which it sounds like you guys do, then the front end is smoother and it's a better experience overall for the trader.
Yep. Yeah. Our front end guy, the one that like kind of designs the checkout experience, I think he probably bought 20 or 30 evals, like just testing the experience from like registration to buying the account to putting his billing information in to when it got created. And he just, I don't even know how much time he spent just making sure that that was as quick as possible. But we just want, people want to trade, and when they want to trade, they want to trade right now, right? So making sure that they're not waiting and making sure that they don't have to spend too much time waiting for account to be created, or actually just clicking through all of the UI on the website. That was
Right.
super important for us.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. How many
Mhm.
accounts can a trader trade with you guys? Like what's the
Mhm.
allocation or the accounts?
Yeah, so you can keep evals in reserve, right? So we have a 5 funded account limit. So no matter how you split it, like we have 3 programs right now: Pro, Flex, and Direct. They're all a little bit. Pro and Flex are evals. Direct is straight to funded. So you can keep evals passed it in the hopper, but you can only have 5 funded accounts at once, and it's like 5 of any combination, right? So you can mix and match. I mean, most people go with one plan type, but we do have some traders that'll have they'll have a couple direct accounts, they'll have a couple eval funded accounts, but it's up to 5. But a lot of people keep evals in the hopper for just to recycle them.
Right, right, for
Mhm.
sure. That sounds all pretty damn good. All right, so what's the shit that you guys get? Like, what's the biggest thing that people are like, this is Lucid's shit? What's the
Mm,
catch with Lucid trading? It's not all sunshine and rain. What's
yeah, I
the
mean,
because
we
you can't
don't.
be great if you're the best at everything in our industry, you go unfortunately. So what's the catch, AJ? What's the
Yeah,
one thing that is not that could be better or people bitch about?
I think the thing that they were bitching about the most up until recently was the consistency in funded and DLL, and we fixed that with the Flex. So that's a no DLL, no consistency plan, which everyone is obviously super stoked about. If I would say the most common criticism we have right now is the payout caps. They're, I would say, I wouldn't say they're conservative, but we've always we've been of the mindset, and this is through just experience because we didn't start like this. Traders are very price sensitive, right? They are,
Yeah.
everyone's got a prop firm comparison website. They sort by cheapest account, and they're like, that's the best deal right now. And that's great. Like, I get it. There's a lot of competition and traders want good value. But over the last year, you've seen rules getting easier and you've seen prices getting lower, right? And that's great for the consumer. But from a sustainability standpoint, it's like, all right, well, I can't offer you the max amount of money and also make the accounts cheaper and easier, right? We're trying to run a
Right. You
sustainable
can't
firm.
do everything or you go out of business.
Sustainable, yeah.
Exactly. So I think the one thing that people complain about, but I mean, we're not like so much like dramatically lower than everyone else. It's just if we want to be priced better, the ticket entry is lower and the max upside is, I would say, like maybe 5 or 10% below industry average.
Right.
But even then, I'm not like, the reality is like a lot of these companies have massive payout caps, but it's like, you have to make more money than a trader's realistically going to make to get them. You know what I
Right.
mean? It's like, yeah, we have a 10K payout cap, but you have to make 20K in a payout cycle to get it. It's like, all right, how many people are really going to get that? So I think
Right.
we're right in line. I think we're a very strong value, but that's one of the biggest criticisms we
I've
get.
always gone for small base hits in my trading, and I go for the space hits in my payout. Like,
Yeah.
where else in the world are you going to turn $85 account into $1,000 payout? Like, that's what
Right.
that's the ROI.
Exactly.
That's what we're trying to accomplish here, is turning our $85 into 1,000 and affording the next 10 that we pop and continuously getting the ROI. That's what we trade for. We trade for money, or you're a fucking liar.
Right.
But so that's every time I hear that, I'm like, it's not that big of a deal, because you also get 5 accounts. So
Right.
like you are providing leverage. It's just capped. And me, on the business side of things, I hear that and I'm okay. Sustainable model. I'm
Right.
cool with that. Right. Like,
Yeah.
sustainability. That's what's important. Are you going to take care of the traders? Check. Are you going to pay them out? Yes, because the model works. Right. So
Yeah.
that's the important thing.
I mean,
so
yeah,
Washington,
to that point, like our most popular account, like by far right now, is the 50K flex. I think it's like $85 on average. I would say our
Right.
base pricing, we're still like a month into flex. It'll probably be around 90 at our
Right.
like true base pricing, but it's 85 to $90 for a $2,000 payout cap. You can make, if you have 5 accounts, so you're paying, if you get max out, it's $450 to make 10 grand per payout. I mean, I don't think that's I don't think there's anything wrong with that, but people complain about it anyway, right? But they also
People
buy the hell
always
out of it.
complain.
You're
So
going to complain about
yeah.
everything. They're going to complain
Yeah.
about everything. It doesn't
Yep.
matter. You're never going to
Yep.
make everyone happy, but the bad publicity is still publicity. People are going to shit
Absolutely.
talk it, and hey, we welcome that. I challenge you to try a Lucid account, get to the payout threshold, request it, and watch how fast it is, and watch
Yeah.
how smooth everything is. And then that's how you turn those naysayers into, like, you know what? Lucid's not bad.
Right. For sure.
Try the fucking product and actually be a good trader, and then come talk your shit.
Exactly. Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
like you said, the way that I look at it is, do we have stuff about us that's unique? Yes. But a lot of firms, we're all playing with the same levers, right? There's like 10 different rules that we can tweak to make our plans.
Right.
So it's about finding someone that's going to take care of you, and finding someone that's focused on being there for the long run and not just making kind of a quick money grab. That's kind of been our mindset, from the beginning, is like, we're not really in a rush. We never made like a negative retroactive rule change ever. You know what I mean? Like, we've
Right.
always made the most changes we've made is we've made improvements, because what I see so many times happening, and it's pretty topical from one of the other firms that's going out there, is that firms will so often, they'll come out hot, right? They have the cheapest plans, they have the easiest rules, and they get a lot of market share very quickly because they're the best
They
deal.
retract.
And then they retract it, and it's like, you build all that goodwill and then you burn it in the first like 3 months. And I'm like, it's the way that I've always seen businesses go. It's the opposite is what's true. Showing people that you're focused, you have a long-term vision, and showing people that you're willing to improve things over time gives them the confidence that the people that are running the thing are like not just out in it for the money. I mean, we are obviously trying to build a profitable business, but it's not like
Right.
short-term windfalls.
Right.
It's long-term sustainability. And that's what we've always done. We've always been like, hey, let's launch
That's
this.
the most important thing.
Exactly. Let's launch this. We think we have some room for improvement, but let's get it out there, get some data, and make sure that we can tweak it before we, over promise and under deliver. And I think people that mindset of let's take a long-term vision and not rush into anything has had the opposite impact on our business, and the fact that we're probably growing faster. We're probably bigger than any other prop firm was at this phase of their business 8 months in. And
Why do you
because
say
people
that?
appreciate it.
What's how many payouts? What's your payout count?
I mean, we've done over 25 million in payouts since April.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
25 million?
Yeah, since April.
8 months.
Wait, what?
Yes. Yes.
Fuck.
We are
What
a
is
lot
going
bigger
on?
than we're a lot bigger than people think we are.
Right. Hold on.
That's a lot.
What? You done
We are
25 million?
we've been told by pretty much every major vendor that we are the biggest prop firm 8 months in, like that, like ever.
What it
So,
sounds like.
but I mean, we're like growing, like if our month over month growth is like insane, where we
That's
were,
amazing. Congratulations.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
great.
But it's
great
also
for traders,
testimony
too.
that you're delivering a very good sound product. That's
Yeah,
what
and
it is.
we're doing it low key, right? Because you would never expect that, right?
I
There's
didn't know who you were. So I mean, yeah, I mean, I feel like I know I've heard it, I've seen the things, you see the chat, you see the name pop up once or twice. I
Yep.
know we've had a couple customers posting payouts from it, but I never knew anything. But then you come in here
Yeah.
and you got, a very
25 mil
tight
is
ship
crazy.
operation, and it's pretty awesome.
You
That's
know what
sweet
part
to
of it
take on.
is? Part of it is that we don't like I told you this. We don't run any like advertising on our own. We work very, very closely with our affiliates. And that's because, one of the barriers to entry in this industry is like a complete lack of trust, right? When you're a new firm, everyone's just like, I mean, everyone was coming in this year, right? So kind of getting credibility is done through trusted voices, and we're like, we're not going to invest,
Right.
we're not going to spend any money on ads. Let's invest in the tech. Let's invest in establishing relationships with people that traders like trust. And we've just been working with our affiliates because it allows us to keep our overhead down, right? Not spending money on ads allows us to run better deals and invest in the infrastructure that makes Lucid so great. And so we don't have that online presence that, like, you go on Instagram, you're going to get whacked with, a Lucid ad every time you scroll through
Right.
5
Millions
posts.
of ads.
And not that there's anything wrong with advertising. I mean, we'll get into that game eventually, but it just wasn't where we wanted to invest. Like, we kind of focused on grassroots. So we have really, really tight retention rates with our traders because there's not a lot that people complain about. So when we get a trader, there's not a lot of turnover. We keep, I think, more than 70, like, of our unique traders ever traded, we keep more than 70% of everyone that's ever traded with Lucid
Wow.
still has an active account with us.
Damn.
And it's because they have the experience. So I think that's what they look at our Twitter, they look at our Discord, they're like, okay, they're doing well. But the reality is, like, almost everyone that follows us and everyone that's in our Discord currently has a Lucid account. And I think that's why, when people are surprised to hear that, it's like, well, no, everyone in our Discord is not, we don't just have people in our Discord to hang out there. Like, they're all actively
Right.
trading Lucid.
Right.
And I think that's something, a lot of our competitors probably have, a lot more people in their Discord, but maybe not all of them have active. They're not all active because, they come and go. People that come with us stay with us. And that's kind of how that retention is what we've done really, really well.
It's a huge testament to what you guys are building. The fact that you have loyal customers that say, I'm just going to stick with Lucid. It works. I get a payout with them. The support, the customers, the payouts are fast. The model makes sense. It's easy for them. That's huge. That's great.
Right.
What is something, I mean, since you sound so sound, but you got to consistently adapt and grow. Is there anything you guys are working towards right now in the company that you'd like to work toward? Like any new plan, any new, could you get to what's next then? Like, what's next?
So we launched Flex on Black Friday. That was kind of, it's our no DLL, no consistency plan. That immediately became our number one product by like a huge margin. We had Pro, which was our, 1-day pass eval, and then we had, Direct, which is our straight to funded. But as soon as we launched Flex, like that's one part of our growth over the last 30 days is very definitely thanks to that. And then also, but one of the trade-offs is that, Pro and Direct are like very diluted. People really, really love Flex, and there's just something left to be desired on Pro. I think we increased the consistency on Pro. We tried to make it a little bit more premium, but people are just like, you know what? Like, I just like Flex better. So I think from a plan perspective, one of the things that we're looking at very closely is, how can we put an offering on the table that's another, either a change to Pro, or maybe we make a new plan and swap out Pro. These are some of the things that we're discussing. And how can we make the decision between Flex and this other program harder, right? I think I want two reactions from traders. One of two reactions from traders. I want them to look at our plans and be like, man, this is like a tough choice. There's this plan has, these benefits and this one
Right.
has these benefits. Like it's kind of a tough decision. And I want them to think about it because there's good things to both. Or I
Absolutely.
want people to look at a certain plan and be like, that's mine. Like that is the perfect plan for me. So I think kind of making sure that our product offering either makes people think or gives them that like immediate like home. Like those are the two things that we want to get to. And right now it's just flex dominated. So just rebalancing our product suite to make sure that we have more options for everyone. And maybe people just say, hey, I want to try something different. And Lucid has another option that gives me different pros and cons. And so they
Right.
have like kind of flexibility within our plans.
Yeah, people love
Uh,
flex. People love options.
yes, they
You know
do.
that's it.
They love
People love
max.
that.
They love max options. Big
They
Daddy
love
max
max
options.
options.
Yeah.
They really do. I don't know
Know
why.
that, right?
63,000 heads. They're obsessed. They're all
Yeah.
degenerates too, AJ. We have
Oh, I know.
also the largest first responder and veteran in the world. We have probably the largest female trading audience in the world. We have a bunch of just a good class of my demographics, also a little older. I don't have like a lot of 18, 19-year-olds
Little
in here. We
kid.
got like a massive group of, for some reason, 30-year-olds who are just like, I don't know what they're doing here. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like they should have jobs or be parents or something.
And I think
This guy Ken is
yeah.
57. Like, what is he doing here? We had some 60-year-olds spinning on a chair last week and he fell. And
Oh no.
so,
Hope he's got the ARP card ready to
yeah,
go.
yeah, he had something. He definitely had something.
Yeah, I think the other thing that like, you're talking about community, that's another focus. That's another thing that we're going to be focusing on this year. I think a lot of firms, when you see their brand and you interact with the company, it's kind of the same template, right? They keep things pretty buttoned up. They'll do promotion graphics, they'll do like
Right.
marketing material that's very safe. And it makes sense, right? They're making a lot of money. They don't feel like they need to take risks to kind of establish their foothold. They're like, we can be plain vanilla and people are going to buy our accounts. I think our mindset has been, you keep referring to your community as degenerates. I mean, I know I've been in lots of different Discords. I think we've kind of got the same experience talking to the community. Like these people like to have fun, right? Like they
Right.
want to, trading's hard.
Yes.
People get lots of people get payouts, but more people, the minority of people are going to get like a ton of payouts, right? So there's a lot of hobbyists in this industry and they need to be getting something out of working with these firms too. And to us, it's about like not like having fun with the firm. So meeting these traders with where they are and kind of creating an environment where even if you're not having your best day or your best month, or it's been a while since you've got a payout, you're still getting something out of it because you're like enjoying the time that you're spending and investing in this firm and community. So I think going to some community engagement things that are just make people want to hang out and give people like a good play, like, a good place to be. And they're like, you know what, I lost money today, but I still had a ton of fun and it was worth it. That's kind of what I want to accomplish because I don't think
Exactly what
anyone's
we
doing
do
that right
here.
now.
That's why
Yeah.
we're entertainment first, entertainment always. And we were
Right.
telling you, nothing we do is financial. Nothing. Everything
Mhm.
we do is for entertainment, and we mean that when we say that. Bring the fun to a very stressful hobby or career or job. Like it's not fun sitting here risking your equity, your capital, your own capital. And that's why I love one thing I love about props. No one buys a house cash, no one buys a car cash. Well, don't fucking sit here and leverage your own money. We can use AJ's money, which he's got a lot of it, so we can just keep trading his capital and we could do really well together.
Yeah.
And that's one
We
thing that it absolutely is so true. The
Mhm.
entertainment, the comedy side of it is just the downtime on the weekends is literally just, if not more important, as when we're sitting here trading.
Absolutely. Yeah. I think I mean you can see if you follow us on Twitter, you can see that some of the vibe that we're starting we're starting to go through. Our Instagram's not that big yet, but one of the things that we'll be doing is we'll be starting to do more YouTube content, both like live and also kind of recorded, somewhat long form.
Yeah.
I shared a couple of my insane ideas with you. It's definitely we're going to be going down a path that no one else is willing to go down in the very near
You
future.
guys are definitely willing to push the boundary, but I mean, it's a good thing. It's a
Yep.
good thing if you're willing to take the shot, and if it works. you're gonna you get to reap the benefit.
Listen, man, you don't start a prop firm because you're at the you're at the plate bunting. You're swinging for the fences, and so
Right.
it's got us here. So I'm going to keep swinging.
That's hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good shit. I'm excited to officially work with you guys. If you guys don't know, we are officially launching a partnership with us and Lucid. Code BDM is active. If you've seen it in the chat, we are live with Lucid with code BDM, and we are excited to start a partnership with them. And I take it very serious. I told you guys my chat doesn't believe me, AJ, when I tell them I just don't work with partners. When we started talking, I was kind of like interviewing you, like, tell me about you guys, right? I feel like it's kind of opposite. A lot of traders are like just affiliate whores, but I'm not. I need to make sure you have a good relationship, you have trade evade, you pay out your traders, you take care of them, your customer support. And AJ checked all the boxes super quickly. Like it was no joke. That first Zoom call, I was focused on my people, my traders, and my everything. Kind of interviewing you and Leo, which is like, I'm sure by the time you guys hung up, you're like, who the fuck was that guy? Fat idiot thinks he could talk to
Fat
us
idiot.
like that. Fat idiot thinks he could talk to us like that. Seriously?
I was just honestly, I walked away. I'm like, wow, there was a lot of sexual tension on that call. That was kind of my
Right.
takeaway.
Every
You know, I'm
time.
like, this
I'm
is right. This
actually-
feels right.
I wasn't gonna say that. But now that you brought it up, I was erect. So you did get a good reading. You did get a good
Perfect.
reading because when you told me about your flex plans and you told me the amount of payouts you guys had, I was like, wow, I'm bricked up right now.
There we go. That's I have that effect on people. I apologize in advance to anyone else on this stream that's
Right. You
experiencing
don't have
this.
like Jewish guilt. You have like a very nice Jewish charm. It's like very charming. Like you're a very charming
Yes.
guy.
I appreciate that. We
Yeah.
I do really
Kind of
well with
attracted
people's
to you.
mothers. Thank you. I mean, I just assumed as much, It's just gonna, and it's that feeling is just gonna, it's gonna age like a fine wine over time.
Right.
Mhm.
Right. I like that. I like that out of you a lot, to be honest.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I think that's kind of. I mean, like I said, I didn't have a social media presence. I've never been big on social media just because it consumes my attention. But like
Right.
now, it's like it's part of the business and it's how we connect with people. And I think one of the things that people really really like about Lucid is like go in our Discord. Like I'm in there mucking it up with people. I know I've been in their position and I know what it feels like to, you spend a bunch of money at these companies and it's like kind of like a nameless entity with no one behind it. People want to feel heard and they want to know that their feedback and their concerns are being listened to. So, I mean, one of my biggest jobs is just to make sure that I make myself available and
Right.
traders not only feel like Lucid is going to take care of them, but they know who the person is that's making the decisions that's going to impact that. So it's really important for us.
I agree.
To
I couldn't agree
have that
more.
direct connection. Yeah.
We have interviewed a lot of CEOs here. We interview a ton of CEOs, all the partners here, a ton of CEOs come through here. And I think it's so important to meet the CEO. Like we have to know who you are, what you are. If we're going to trust you to drive the ship while we're in the back partying with your capital, we need to know that we have a sound captain in the front there. So it's been great. You seem great. You seem wonderful. And listen, I mean, the greatest testament of your work is the compliments that my customers give you. You know what I
Right.
mean? So, and I didn't even know who you were, but my customers are giving you compliments, but so, and they're speaking highly of you and your product, which that there is the best autograph you could put on your work.
Absolutely.
Is that testament, that testimony from mouth to mouth. You're spreading like wildfire through the industry, clearly with 25 million in fucking payouts. So that is huge. That is huge.
Yeah.
Man, I'll tell you what. There's a little thing here we do at Max Options Trading. I'm not going to ask you to do a chair spin yet, all right? Because this is our first date, so I'm a
You would
little
do it.
nervous, right? It's first date. I'm a little nervous.
Okay.
But
What's the chair spin? What's the chair spin?
You literally stand on your chair and spin. Chat, can we put some gifs of the most recent chair spins we got? We don't condone this type of behavior, and everyone who does it is a trained professional. But if we could throw some gifs in the chat, we have tons of chair spinners. Some that have gone out into the public and done it. Some over 60 years old have done it. There's a lot of chair spinners. That's like our thing. I don't know why.
So
It started because I got on my chair one day and And then I was like, I dare Llama to get on his chair and spin, and he did it perfectly. Llama is a athlete, professional athlete. So, which
What
you
if
can't
what
tell.
if I'm not wearing any pants right now?
Like, did you know
Even
like
better,
9
that's
out of
actually
10
common.
That's like very
Dog,
common. Like 9
so
out of 10
common.
females we bring up here are naked for some reason. I don't
That's-
like they just don't they don't wear drawers or pants or anything. Like I
Anything.
don't know why.
They
We're
wear
trying to figure it out.
glasses.
Like
They put
Okay.
on
almost every female
sunglasses
we
to lay
brought
in
up
bed
here is
butt
Yeah.
naked if they're trading.
So
Yeah.
now I'm understanding why we do the chair spins, right? It's to
Right.
it's
We
to get the
so
ladies get
all
up
right,
here spinning.
right.
I'm making the
So
connection now. I mean, I'll
right.
do. I mean, I'll hurt myself probably, but
No, then we don't want you to do it. All right. All right. There's
All right,
only one
fine,
other
you
thing
got
you
us.
could do though. There's only so there's the second tradition that we do here
Okay.
that
Let's
we're
hear it.
known for is the largest giveaways in prop history.
Oh, I
So
thought
I
you were
don't
gonna
want to
tell him
put
to
you on
shake
the
ass.
spot here, Daddy AJ, but if you're gonna be Big Daddy AJ, Big Daddy Max like size, we have the world record for the largest prop giveaways from multiple firms. And I don't want you
I
to
think every
feel
firm.
like 8 months in you can't compete with them because you can. So what do we
All right, we've got some accounts here, and I think we've got enough. How much? I mean, at least a nice chunk of the people that are on this stream at least are going to participate. Let me see what we got here. So, like I said, our biggest plan right now is the flex plan. They're on our most popular accounts, the 25 and 50. So what we'll do is we'll do 30 25K flex accounts, 30
Uh-huh.
50K flex accounts,
Uh-huh.
20
30?
100K, yeah, 30,
Max.
30, 30, 20 100K flexes,
Uh-huh.
and we'll start with 5 150K flexes, and we'll see if I'm feeling a little bit more frisky there once we get to the end.
all right.
But that's
so
a
let me-
total. That's 85 accounts. That's 85.
85 accounts.
85 accounts.
Holy shit.
Okay. You
I have an
didn't have to
obnoxiously
drop it on the
optional.
table like that, your baby's arm holding an apple, but Jesus. Okay, 85 flex accounts
Uh-huh.
coming out.
Uh-huh.
That is
Mhm.
yeah, that's probably one of the largest giveaways we've done by
There we
far.
go.
Like
I mean, listen,
absolutely
you
by
talking about being bricked up, like, we got to keep
I'm
the
s-
momentum
I'm
going,
so bricked up
You
right
want
now,
to
you
keep
have
the
no
blood
idea.
flowing, right? You want to keep the energy high. You want to keep the blood flowing. We don't want to go soft on the people. That's
Right,
something that we
exactly.
can never do. Are we still on YouTube, by the way? Are we YouTube live right now?
I
Can
think
I
we
say
are.
bricked up on YouTube? I can say bricked
You
up,
can say
right?
whatever you want, bro.
Yeah.
No,
Okay,
I
we're
think
live
so
on
for
YouTube.
sure.
Right. So welcome
I'll
to
get
our
us banned
YouTube
right now.
audience. For the YouTube audience who's watching, welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. This is the first official tester with the CEO of Lucid Trading, AJ, who's absolutely put on a clinic for us here. But remember, you can only win a free account inside the Discord. So if you are watching on YouTube right now, click that link in our bio right here. Join the free Discord and get in here because we are about to drop
Oh, we do
85
have it.
Lucid accounts. 85 Lucid accounts right now on the chat, which is always good. So normally, AJ, what we do is we bring them up for an interview. We talk to the people. We get to know who they are. Obviously, we cannot do 85 of those, so we do a speed round. The speed round is we are just going to right click. We are just going to bring them up. All they have to do is turn on their camera and mic, and they win.
Okay. So
and
we're
they
going to
have
see
have
these
one of
people
these-
IRL, huh? This is awesome.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Max, find the first person. I'm gonna take a piss.
We get to the thank you. We get to the business here. We want to meet, and like you said, you want to get ear to the ground. We've talked to thousands of traders, thousands. We bring them up. We've changed some lives. We've literally given people the opportunity to make money, and they've killed it. We've given people accounts. We've given them the psychology talks. We've done everything possible to help our audience, and we will continue to do so larger than ever. Starting off with Lucid Trading, baby, 2026. It seems like we're on a great fucking path here. We've also done a lot of twerk off. So I don't know if you like women shaking ass like that, but we have some baddies that love shaking ass in here.
Don't threaten me with a good time.
Right. I mean, it's free. Usually you got to pay like $35 a song.
That's for sure. Yeah, no, I mean, listen, I'm paying for it with evals. It's not free. There we go. Boom. Payouts will come. Payouts will come.
Oh,
There's actually, this is actually great. I got this email. I did a stream with someone else, and I was down in Florida, and I stayed at a hotel, and the doorman recognized this affiliate, and he's like, "Oh, this is the CEO of Lucid Trading," and we were talking, and I gave him a couple giveaways. That was actually an in-person giveaway, That was back in the beginning of October.
Yeah.
What's up? And I got an
Oh, real
email that
quick,
the doorman got a
EDE.
payout.
Congratulations. We're gonna start
Oh
at
my
the
God, we're
bottom.
still
You won a
dumping.
25K flex from Lucid.
Word. Thank you guys.
So congrats,
you.
man.
Still
Next up,
dumping. Oh my
Zoe.
God.
Hello?
Hi. Zoe, AJ just gave you a
I'm like
25K
that in the
flex
dark.
account.
Thank you.
What's up, Zoe?
Right.
Congrats.
Wait, where you from, girl?
Yeah,
Scotland.
Portland.
Say
It's
something
snowing.
say something like funny.
Can't bring my spot like that.
I see you down there, Leo.
Yeah,
Guys,
he's
we got
lurking.
Lucid, the CEO from Lucid here, and he's dropping dimes for you guys. So let's throw some LFGs in the chat for AJ, and I'm gonna pick some random LFGs in the chat. If I see your name, it's too slow. If I see your name, it's too slow, chat. Remember,
is
if I see your
flying.
yeah, nobody does it like we do. You'll learn that very quickly that we have the craziest, best, wonderful live audience in the game. I'm picking randoms. Get up here. Get up here. If you're here, get up here. Get
Okay,
up
I'm
here.
still
If
clicking.
you're congratulations, Brandy.
Hi, yo. That's
Congratulations. You won a free account.
Thank you. Namaste.
Dude,
I know that's
he's
right.
got, he's
Next
got a
up is
strong
Brennan.
beard game.
Let's go. Thank you.
This is dumping, bro. There goes fucking orb tab. This wasn't even up in the top.
Slim Jim.
100 points.
What do you got to say to AJ?
Jesus Christ.
What up,
let's
AJ?
go.
Thanks for the.
Of course, brother.
Don't be gay like llama.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations. AJ, there's a thing here where at the end of my interviews, people call Llama gay. We don't know why. It's been happening for a year. So that's a thing. Mick Trades or MG Trades?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, brother. You won a
Shit,
25K flex.
actually,
How you feel?
Thank you, guys. You guys are the best. Let's go, AJ.
Yeah.
Let's go,
Awesome.
AJ,
Congrats,
baby.
man.
Danif,
This is,
nice beard.
Yeah.
dude,
What
that's
do
what I'm
you do?
saying.
Do you,
What
do
kind
you
of oil?
wrestle in Russia?
That was this is amazing. Honestly, I love the whole everything that's going on here.
Excellent.
Yeah, Flatbush, East Flatbush.
I could tell by your voice.
Did you
Yeah.
guess? You're like hitting these like to the longitude, latitude.
I'm telling you, I
Max.
brought up. We've talked to 1,000 people. You start to get like a feel. Llama's even better than I am. Llama can pick every Hispanic person's country. It's amazing. After one word, it's like a fucking superpower. Dave,
Hidden talent.
my boy, how's your trading going?
It's up and down. It's up and down. I just locked in with Llama. Shout out to Llama in the P2P course. So everything is coming together. I've been trading for a while though, so I've been in the game for a little minute. It just hasn't clicked, but it's starting to click now. So I'm very excited for this.
Investing in your education is the first step towards the new chapter, brother. And we're going to help support you with a free account from Lucid. And I think you're going to be on the right path now to profitability, baby.
Heck yeah, I appreciate it. But so a funny thing, I actually I don't trade futures. I still trade CFDs. So
okay.
I mean, you can. I'm glad you called me up. You could give the account to somebody else. You know, shout out to everybody.
We appreciate
that.
Honesty.
Yeah. I'm sticking with CFDs for now to see if I can trade my own capital versus the rules. I suck at rules, so I really don't think I'm gonna be able to.
Well, you know what? We love honesty here. Open a support ticket, and I'm going to see if I could throw you $500 cash account with Hero FX. Then I'm going to throw you $500.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much.
We appreciate you and being honest, brother. That's great.
Heck yeah.
It's Big Daddy energy right there.
If you do what's right when nobody's even looking, if you deserve it, Big Daddy Max will serve it. Techno Freak.
Techno Freak.
Do you actually listen to techno?
I do.
Are you willing to drop some nasty techno right now and like shuffle or what?
No, I did say I could dance.
Oh, right.
I'm like, Logan, need to have some drinks before we could dance. So
once Logan has about 4 tequilas, he turns completely Hispanic. It's the most amazing.
He goes from Logan to Logan.
Yeah, he goes to Lohan.
Oh,
Well, congratulations, Techno Freak. You just won a 25K account, baby.
Dude,
and I'm recording.
Oh. I'm a big Cerez D fan.
Nice. Yeah,
I don't even know what that means.
Max, you guys, Logan, Max, Javi, all you guys are awesome. So
thank you, brother. We
really
appreciate you. Open a support ticket. Nate is one of the biggest fans of Lucid, who's been telling us for a while. Check out Lucid, and he one of your traders who gets paid out consistently, and I would almost say he's probably going to be one of your live traders. He is a dog, Nate. Behind him, that's a whole wall of payout plaques. Nate is the real deal. When we first met Nate, that wall was full of certificates. We called him gay, and now he has a wall full of payouts, and he's a legend. He's probably top 3 or 4 most profitable traders in our Discord.
For sure.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks for spreading the good
word.
What
do you got to say to AJ?
I love Lucid, man.
Here.
I love Lucid. When I found you guys, I listen to the new firm. I'm gonna check it out. I'll give them a shot, see what happens.
Yeah,
I get bailouts from no issue at all whatsoever. Love the rules, no consistency, and funded. That's huge for me. I love that. There's so many times I'll nail a banger right away. Just need $100 more each day to get that payout. No problem. Never an issue. What else can I say?
Oh, I like the way you're talking right now.
Love it.
I'm about to load up.
That's it.
Yeah.
Nate's a paid
funded
plan.
accounts. Like I go for the 25Ks. So they're capped out at like 1,000, 5,000 every 5 days. What more do you need than that? I don't need to go big.
Bro, like we just talked about earlier about the payouts, 25K account to $5,000 in payouts. Come on, Nate, you're a legend, brother. Congratulations on another win. You know we love you here at the Cord.
Appreciate it.
Now, please use code BDM, baby.
Always.
Thanks for coming in early, Nate. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Nate. Tara.
What's up, guys?
What's going on? How are you? It's been a while, Tara. How are you?
What do you mean by that?
I'm great. I've got my green pen, which means Green Day.
I know that's right. Tara, you were the psychopath that we were talking to about music instruments last time, right? And you had something on your back.
Yeah, I've got F-holes on my back.
You said you wanted to show us your
F-holes on her back.
Yeah. So initially I was supposed to be a violin, but I got a little bigger and now it's more of a cello.
You said I looked like I played the trombone. Was that was you?
Yeah,
you came up here.
I also thought you were 5'4", so
She was very disrespectful to Llama. She said, "I bet you're 5'4", and the only instrument that would look good on you is a trombone."
God.
That's one of the most disrespectful things
roast.
that's ever happened in the history of the show, to be honest.
I still have nightmares about that day.
Would you like to take this
Everyone loves a
time?
trombone.
Would you like to take
They
this time
sit on the
now,
floor.
now that you know that Llama's 6'1", to choose a different instrument for him?
Yeah, I would go with the stand-up bass.
Oh, okay. Now you trying to what you trying to get into?
Right. What's up with that?
Tara,
They're
what's up
both
with that
full
day?
instruments,
All
so
this shit's dumping. Is anybody
You are
stealing this
nasty
short?
bowl of energy. We love you.
I know.
Congratulations. You just won a 25K account from Lucid.
Thank you. I love
Congrats.
Lucid. AJ, appreciate you. I'm in your Discord daily as well, so you're
I
great. You're
appreciate
great.
you too. Thank you.
Oh yeah, we love Tara. Let's go. Brian, where's your fucking shirt?
Yo, it's in the closet, bro. I'm chilling at home. No shirt needed.
Are you in the closet?
I can come out of the closet.
AJ just did. Congratulations. You a 25K account, my friend. From
Appreciate it.
Lucid. How long before we get the payout? Be honest. You getting the payout?
Friday. If I get one today, I'll get one on Friday.
I like
Let's
that
go.
out of you. I like that out of you, baby. Let's go.
Well,
Congratulations.
Appreciate it.
won a
Hey,
25.
one thing. Next time you see Joseph, tell him he's gay for not going to the event.
He's not coming?
Bro, I keep telling him to come with me, but he doesn't want to go.
Bro, I literally got a haircut from him. Yeah, my
Bro.
boy Brian keeps telling me to let's go. I said the tickets are free now. The tickets are free.
I know. I got the ticket, and I was like, bro, it's and this, a week before. I was like, let's just split it, and then he was like, nah, I'm gonna wait.
He got to get his mind right. The amount of education at our live event is going to change trading for these traders forever. And he's
Yeah.
worried about missing work. I said, you're worried about the wrong thing. Because
2 days. 2 days of
the
work.
education we're going to provide you, since you're already a trader, is going to provide way more than that 2 days of work you're going to do.
Yeah. I got a question though. Do we need a room to like kind of get a guaranteed spot in, or
Yes,
like
if you want a guaranteed spot in, you got to book a room diplomat. That's
if I live here, I
that's
don't
the
know.
only way
I'm
to
just
skip the
gonna
line.
drive down today, you know.
Right, but if you're local and you're in right now, you're probably good, but we're overbooked. So
Yeah.
if people do say, "Hey, we're coming from out of town and we're staying at the Diplomat," I have to take them.
Fair.
So I know you as a local, and I know you're Joseph's boy, but right now we're tapped. Best thing to do: email Dan, my brother, and be like, "I'm 100% going to be there all 4 nights. I'm the guy named Brian, and please don't kick me out."
Fair. Gotcha.
You're the man, Brian. Congratulations on your win, bro.
Appreciate it.
Congrats,
Yeah, guys,
man.
we are so sold out of MOT Live. We are literally so booked, and I know everyone wants to come, but there's more influencers and people calling me by the daily, and I'm turning down influencers now. The only way to secure your spot is to book at the hotel, and that only lasts. The room block ends on Friday. So if you're coming to Max Options Trading Live and you want to guarantee it, you need to book your hotels at the Diplomat Resort by Friday. How many accounts do we have?
What did
What
we
are
just
we
do?
at,
The
mods?
20, do 25s?
Where are we at, mods? We also don't have to do bulk of it, but this is good.
I'm actually surprised you I mean, I love the whole bring people on stream, but like doing that on YouTube too, you've had to have had someone naked come on here at least once.
Oh, we have like
Yeah.
shower people all the time. No,
Yeah.
we weren't kidding. The females, they're naked all the time.
They're always naked.
They're always naked.
The first one was butt ass naked, and she said, "Oh my god, hold on, let me at least put on some glasses."
Yeah, she was.
She needed to make sure she needed to make sure she looked good, right? Like
She was a big girl from Atlanta, and she said straight up, "Hold on, I'm naked. Let me throw on these glasses." They're like that. Like that
You
changed
wouldn't want to
everything.
be you wouldn't want to be indecent without the glasses,
Right. So she fixed herself up real good for us. All right, I got another group coming up, baby. Mods, where we at?
I have no idea. I brought up BZ20.
Can't
How many
believe
guys
so many
took that
accounts we're not
short?
even keeping count.
Wasn't that short at 766 and melted for 130 points?
All right, Jeremy the Face. Let's go, AJ. This is Jeremy the Face.
I see that.
He's a fan
Yeah.
favorite here. Jeremy, using the face, let AJ know what you think about Lucid.
I've checked out Lucid. I was very interested in trying them out, and now I'm glad I get to try them out.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
It's
Uh,
giving John.
AJ
He's giving Johnny Sins and The Rock
Right.
combination.
No, yeah.
here.
This is Jeremy the Face. He's famous for his face because he does show him your talent, Jeremy. Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Yeah. So try to compose yourself. So
It's gonna be
Jeremy,
hard.
we love you, brother. Congratulations. And
Thank you, guys.
Wesley
Looks like fancy
Pipes.
Squidward.
Wesley Pipes. Great name.
What's going on?
Nothing. You tell me what's up.
Just got back into training. I took maybe like 3 weeks off. Yeah, so we're just hitting it hard. I'm up 250 on the funded today.
Hell yeah.
Badass.
So we're just taking it slow. We're taking it real slow. I've been trading since I was 18. Almost 10 years. So I've only been in
You're
prop
28.
trades. Yeah.
28 with the salt and pepper?
Yo, what?
Maybe it's bad lighting. You look 50.
You guys say I look old. I'm the
Come
same
on,
age as
hold on a
this fucking guy.
Oh, you
I
guys
don't
are
know.
brutal.
Taylor,
All right, we got to get the light on.
Taylor, congratulations.
How's it going?
You won a 25K Flex account from Lucid Trading.
50?
Hell yeah.
Hey, he looks
I'm
old,
excited
bro.
about that.
Come on,
Thank
mama.
you, brother. Congratulations, Taylor.
Thank you.
I'm C Birch's cousin too, by the way. I don't want
Hey,
to
Birch, my boy.
C Birch. But
My
yeah,
boy.
we're coming to the show. It should be a good time.
I don't know if I want you at the show. What's your
Come on.
ethnicity?
What?
What are you, like Italian?
German, French, Canadian.
Oh, you're just
I'm
you're
actually
a what?
Jewish.
You're
Just-
a mixture of what?
I guess maybe my light's just garbage.
Yeah. I thought you were some like 50-year-old Italian.
Oh my god.
Come on.
This is savage. He's got a high and
Come
tight
on.
fade. It's fine.
He's got a high I don't know.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Listen,
But,
Wesley Pipes. Slow and
Appreciate
steady,
you guys.
baby. Slow and steady, brother. There's
For
no
sure.
rush. There's no rush. Keep rocking.
Yeah, it's definitely been definitely a mental battle for sure. I hit a couple good licks off of options right when I first started trading. I had like a $20,000 a month off Tesla, hit the AMC and GME thing. So I think all that money got to my head pretty early. So like I haven't seen that amount of money in a long time.
Right.
So definitely trying to rewire everything. You know what I mean?
Right. No, a good mental reset will definitely help you do that. Just
For
remember,
sure.
man, it's not a race.
We appreciate you guys. For
Absolutely,
sure.
brother. We appreciate you and open a support ticket. Congratulations on your free account.
Thanks, guys.
Congrats.
Appreciate it.
Who do we got next? J Trades.
What's up, man? How y'all
What's going
doing?
on, bro? We're good. Where are you from?
I'm from Jeff City, Missouri.
I was gonna say we don't know what the fuck Jeff City is.
Yeah, nobody.
Mizzow. Very cool. And are you a trader?
Yes, sir. So I've been trading. I've been studying for about a year now. I got my first live account. First funded around November. So I've just been going at it since then, taking it slow.
Good shit, brother. That's
Thanks, man.
good. Keep going. Take it slow. Take your time. Keep learning. Always be a forever student. And you just want a free 25K from Lucid.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you, guys, man.
Hell yeah, we appreciate you. We got Newbie One Kenobi.
What's up, fellas?
What's going
What's
on?
up?
All good, man. All good. Just watching these charts. That's it.
Hell
Right.
yeah. How's your trading going?
I'm still, like I said, the name implies that I'm new to this stuff, so I'm kind of okay. I'm up 700, so not too bad. So let's rock and roll. Make the best of it, right?
There.
Good shit. Good. Yeah. Hey, beginner's luck is real. Keep
man.
doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're
Fine.
doing, brother. And
I appreciate you guys
congratulations.
doing what you're doing too, because you guys are helping me out a lot with all this stuff. So without
Oh,
your
yeah.
knowledge and your Discord, I really would be kind of tanking a lot. So I do appreciate what you guys do. So thank you guys very much.
Spread the word, baby, because we're taking
Hell
over
yeah.
2026. We're on YouTube
sure.
now.
Hell yeah, man. Good call.
All right, my man. Thank you and congratulations. Open
Thanks,
support
guys.
ticket.
Appreciate it. Thanks, AJ.
Yep.
Rasta. Oh boy.
Wagwan.
Rasta. 52 bomba clat chicken nuggets. What's going on, brother? How are you?
I'm chilling, man. Chilling. Just
shit.
trying to pass these accounts, man.
Well, when you're done and they're green, log off and log on to your brand new Lucid 25K Flex account.
Shursky. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Keep grinding. It's not a race. One and done. And here's another account to support you on the journey, baby.
Good looking, man. I'm gonna be there for the next event, man. I can't come to this one.
There is no next
There's no
one,
next
brother.
event.
There is no
Come
next one.
on.
No, fuck no. I'm way too stressed. I'm losing way too much money. It's completely over after this.
All right,
Never having
man.
you again. But
Thanks. Appreciate
maybe
it.
we'll pop up in your city for a drink one day of bubble water.
Right.
All right, I'll pull up.
Where you from?
Let me know. I'm in New Jersey.
Not going there. All right.
We're not
Congratulations.
going there. Yeah, we're not going there.
Would you have said you were
yeah.
gonna rip that for basically any state, no matter where it was, or fuck New Jersey?
All
in
right, so we
particular?
got 4 more to do on the 25. So I'm just gonna snag 1, 2,
I got one.
3, and 4. We're just gonna snag 4 from the chat right now. Alejandro, hey, haven't seen you in a minute.
Alejandro, I
You're
literally was
muted.
clicking on him.
What's going on?
What's up, baby? What's up, little man? Your dad just won a 25K account.
Oh yeah. Love what you guys
stoked.
do always. Been here since day one.
Hell yeah, brother. We appreciate you. Congratulations on the win.
Thank you. Thank you. I opened a support ticket.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Thank you.
Congrats.
Deshaun the Duh.
What's up?
What's up, baby? How are you?
None, just chilling, man.
Been a while since we chatted.
We
What's
haven't talked
going
to this guy in
on?
a
It's
while.
been a while, yeah.
It's been a
Like
while.
7
Yeah.
months.
We were confused. We were like, "Are you black? Are you Asian?" And then we played the game. What
He's
are you?
Blasian.
And he came out black, I think.
Black
No,
and
he ended
Korean,
up
yeah.
saying he
Black
eats,
and Korean,
he
right?
eats
Yeah, yeah.
chicken wings with chopsticks.
He
was
said the
actually
chicken wings. He
Asian.
said the chicken wings all day. Deshaun, what's up, brother? Tell us what's been going on.
Not much. Getting cooked, but just
Nice. Good shit.
taking
like
it.
that.
Yeah, I'm taking it slow now.
Hold on.
Take it
Are you
slow.
getting
End of the
fried?
day green, so I'm done.
Are you getting fried or are you getting steamed?
Oh,
A little bit of both.
Blasian. I'm telling you, he's Blasian, bro.
damn, a little bit of both. Yeah, he
A little
couldn't
bit
help
of
himself.
both, bro. He's
Hey, that's a
Blasian.
funny ass answer. Couldn't help himself. Deshaun, you're a legend, bro. You're an absolute legend. Well, here's a free
Appreciate y'all, man,
25K,
for real.
boys at Lucid to get you locked in, and this will be the one that turns it around.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully,
man.
don't use the word
Appreciate you guys,
hopefully.
man.
You sound like an idiot. Take charge of your trading. Fucking
Yep.
do the right thing and crush it.
Got you.
You got to honor your family.
BG,
Isn't this
what's
the vet?
going on?
Isn't this the guy that was in Vietnam? Like the 90-year-old veteran?
I think he was in World
That's
War
me.
One.
That's what's left of me.
I think he was in World War One.
You and Logan must study out of the same book.
What book is that?
That book about being in World War One, World War Two. Jesus Christ, a bunch of Cub Scouts.
I don't know how to read. I didn't study that
Yeah,
book.
well, stand up on your chair and spin, and we'll see who's a Cub Scout.
Not a fucking chance in the world.
I love you. You are a legend, BG, and we always appreciate you in the chat. Your support, my friend. Open a support ticket, brother, and we're gonna throw a free 25 account from Lucid.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Lucid.
Congrats, man.
Absolutely. And our last 25K account goes to Fortune.
What's going on?
What's up, baby?
Not much, man. At work right now, was on y'all live, and I'm like, just kept typing LFG. Y'all finally hit me. I'm happy, excited.
There we go.
Keep typing LFG. You got hit, and you just want a free account from Lucid, baby. If you deserve
Congrats,
it.
man.
Nice. Appreciate it, guys.
Absolutely. Open a support ticket, and congratulations.
Thank you very much, guys. Have a good one.
You
Yeah,
too.
boy.
All right, let's throw out. So
Was that 25? It took that long for the first 25?
that was 30. No, that was
It was
30.
30.
So let's do the 150s now. Let's just throw out 5 150s. Let's get these out here and get them rocking and cocking. And then you know what? We might need to do the rest on the podcast tonight.
Smart.
There you go. You're strapped for multiple content segments.
Yeah,
sir.
Love it. We're gonna be popping the Lucid. Sure, guys. LFG's in the chat. This is a free for all. 5 people. You are gonna win 150K flex right now from Lucid. First 5 coming in hot. Get ready.
And I'm impressed. The LFGs have not slowed down at all.
Here it
during
comes.
this.
Get ready. No. This I told you they're maniacs. Get ready. Get set. LFGs. Here it comes. Get set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Let's go.
and 5. Congratulations, Sean Bear Pig.
Shalom.
You look like a bear
Shalom.
pig. It's very fitting.
Where's that echo coming from?
One of the Chico, of course. Sean Bear Pig, congratulations. You just won 150K flex.
That's awesome. Thank
Congrats,
you guys
man.
very much. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
no
get
problem.
Llama's open a support ticket, my friend. Chico,
Yep.
we got
What,
feedback
like a
coming out of
fat
your
Zac
audio.
Efron?
What happened?
Don't worry about it. Congratulations on your 150K flex account. Open a support ticket.
I appreciate it.
Can you smile? No, still didn't work. Uncle Patty, Oos,
What's up, boo?
what's going on, baby? How are you?
Oh, living the dream, dreaming about the life. This is crazy. I appreciate y'all. AJ, I appreciate you, brother.
No problem. Appreciate you.
Where you from? Atlanta?
Oh no, I'm from Hawaii.
Hawaii. Okay.
Yeah, I live in
Okay.
Pennsylvania right now in military, but I'm from Hawaii.
Bro,
In the
you know what I
military.
found out about Hawaii last week?
What?
Coach actually showed me, bro. They gangbang out there hard.
Oh, for sure, for sure.
It's the.
But
Bro,
they
I've
don't.
never
But
seen
the thing.
Hawaiian Bloods and Crips. It was crazy.
Oh, I'm Samoan, but
I was gonna say, I think the Samoans out there, I think they run that set.
Yeah, but they got
Oh,
Bloods and Crips now. It's crazy.
oh, they
Samoan
for
blood?
sure do. They for sure do.
Samoan Crips?
Bro, they're
Dude,
on
that's scary.
O'Healy Drive. Like it's
I
popping
mean,
over there.
don't roll up on McDonald's or Burger King. So
Well, you can't
they,
crip walk when you're 7 feet tall and 400 pounds.
you also can't crip walk with gout. So they
Gout.
do. We just keep it humble, keep it steady.
Bruce, you are a legend,
That shit
Bruce, and
is
you
crazy.
just won a 150K account flex from our boys over at Lucid with AJ.
I appreciate y'all.
Congrats, brother.
Absolutely. Congratulations. Meat Wagon.
Meat Wagon?
Oh yeah.
You guys always driving.
Meat Wagon. Why are you always?
Oh well, I pulled over. I'm good now, but that's what I do. That's what I do.
Yeah, that's what you do.
It's
How's
an
the
amazing
meat?
username.
How's the meat and how's the wagon?
Things are going okay. Much better than the last time. So
Good.
I'm keeping
It's good
up
to
with it.
hear.
Locking in.
Your wife
There you
is the
go.
sweetest. She watches the show. Like she messages us. We appreciate you guys so much.
Well,
And my
she's
husband,
Colombian. They say that Colombians are the happiest people on earth.
They
right,
are. They're
right.
very true.
They're the ones that be like, "Oh, mi amor, oh my God, this is about
Oh, mijo.
oh mijo." They
She's
love
my
you.
rock. She keeps me sane. Yeah,
That's
for
awesome,
sure.
bro. That's
Love
awesome.
that.
You
Love
locked
that
it
for
down.
you.
You
Man,
locked it down at a
thanks
good
so
time.
much for choosing me again. I can't tell you how much it helps. So keep up doing what you guys are doing. You guys are awesome. I try to watch every day. That's why I'm driving and I'm listening to y'all because I gotta stay tuned in. It's crazy. I love you guys. You
We
guys are
love
awesome.
you. We love you,
Love you
brother.
too, brother.
And huge congratulations on the 150K
Thanks a lot.
win.
Thanks a lot. Take care, y'all.
Take care.
5 150s out the door. And
Renee Ski.
Renee.
Up, boys.
Honor your family, Renee Ski.
I'm walking out the door, man. How
Where
are you
you
guys
going?
doing? I'm about taking my daughter to Universal. She's still on
Nice.
vacation, so
Oh, nice.
yeah. Daddy daughter date.
You're here.
So
You're here in Florida.
What are you
I'm in
going to?
Cali.
She's in Cali.
Oh,
Universal in
Mhm.
Cali.
I was about to
What
say
do
you were not here.
What are you guys
Yeah,
going to
just
do at Universal?
picking what to wear. So
Go to Dueling
Thinking of what
Dragons?
to wear. That's my boy right there. Thinking of
Nice.
what to wear. That's
Right.
what I like
Right.
to hear.
That's awesome. Have a
Is it-
badass dad and daughter day at
cheers, boys.
Universal. We appreciate you as always, Big Daddy. Open a support ticket. You have won 150K from Lucid.
Appreciate you guys. I'll see you in Florida in a couple weeks.
Let's go,
Yes.
baby.
Very.
MOT
Thank you, boys.
live.
See you guys. See you soon.
See ya. Oh, we're moving. We're moving and cruising. Let's get to the next batch
Yeah,
real
that
quick.
was a quick badge.
The next bet, let's give. All right, we got the 20s and the 30s. We got the 20s.
How many we bringing up?
30s. What do you think, AJ? We could grind out 50 more. We can totally grind out 50 more, or we could do 20 of the 100s now, and then we could save 30 50K giveaways for our podcast that starts at 5. What do you want to do, Big Daddy AJ?
Listen, the chat is still flying. Maybe save some for the podcast just so you have some in the hopper, but the people look hungry still, honestly. If I'm not gonna lie.
You heard the man. You heard the man. And if you deserve it, the Big Daddy Morning Show is gonna serve it. Who keeps spamming the long ones? If you spam a long one, I'm not gonna fucking pick you. Stop spamming the long. Like, I don't like those long ones. 3 letters. 3 letters.
Someone just hit you with the longest one ever there.
Right. If you guys spam the long one, you're not gonna win. I promise you that. So you might want to reconsider your strategy. You might want to reconsider. Let's jump to the 2100Ks. So we're gonna pull up a shotgun round, 20 people. All right, here's the deal. Get ready. I'm just gonna pick the first 20 people after I say go. After I say go, so you better get the LFGs. Let's switch the LFGs to BDM. Let's switch that to BDM. Once I say go, the first 20 BDMs I see in the chat, first 20 BDMs are going to win a 100K account. The LFGs are amazing. Are you guys even listening? Or are you tight? Who's that?
Not listening. I don't know what's happening right now.
They've got scripts running, right? Like these are LFGs.
It's got to be a bot, bro.
Right. Are these all bots? First 20 BDMs. No more LFGs are winning. If you keep typing LFG, you are damn, we're on YouTube. You're not smart. All right. Get ready. Start typing BDM. Start typing BDM.
Dude, it's crazy. They're not even listening.
They're not even listening.
They're
Like,
you
I
know
feel like I'm going crazy.
Are we getting view butted?
Bro, I don't know. Like, why are they just typing? Just type BDM. You guys got to switch.
Back, if you have to say it in Spanish, brother, they probably can't understand.
Say it in Spanish.
No, you.
El typo.
El
BDM.
typo.
El typo. BDM.
There you go. Oh, Emma, yeah.
All right, get ready. Here we go. Get set. The first 20 BDMs, Big Daddy Morning Show, Big Daddy Max in 3, BDM in 2, BDM in 1. Go. All right, got the first one. 1, 2.
You're still
3,
typing LFGs. I'm astounded.
4, 5.
I'm just astounded.
6,
Dude, they're
7.
self-reporting as bots.
Mods, just write down the names. Just write down the names and get them out of here. Llama, do the interview. Do the names and get them out of here.
Ooh, 6 Joey. Talk to me, brother.
Blessings, man. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything you want to say?
Hey.
I'm excited to try this one out. Thank you.
Nice,
You're welcome,
brother.
bro.
Open a
Get
support
outta here.
ticket. Ooh, 6 Joey. Open a support ticket. Let's go. Shang, talk to me. Shang.
This is crazy. No, next one. Mods, write down the name. Go to the next one. Oh, what's
right.
up, girl?
Fart pancake.
Ew.
Hello, Pikachu.
Hey, everyone.
Man, you kind of
Hello,
cute.
Fart
Shawty.
Pancakes. Are you a trader?
I'll kick everyone else off the
I am.
stage right now, girl. What's up? Fart Pancakes, congratulations.
Thank you, everyone.
Shang,
All right. Shang. Hello, Shang.
you're muted. Congratulations. Alaho, 13.
God.
Congratulations. What's on? What's on?
What's on? We've had him
Hello.
before.
What's up, my
Okay.
brother? How are you?
Fine, and you, Max?
We're doing good. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Lawrence. Lawrence,
Can you
what's
hear
up,
me?
baby? Yeah.
Doing all right, doing all right.
Good shit. Hey, congratulations.
I appreciate you. Y'all doing a good work.
Hell yeah.
Excellent. Get him out of here.
Dune.
Hey, how we doing?
What?
How we doing?
Oh, we're good. Where you
Good.
from?
How are you?
Manchester, you know. England.
Oh, you like football?
Yeah.
It's called soccer, dumbass. Congratulations. Danielson.
Hey guys, how's it going?
We're doing great, brother. How are you?
Oh, we're doing good over here.
Hell yeah. Congratulations, my friend. 100K flex coming your way.
Thanks, AJ. Thanks,
Yeah.
Big Daddy, and Sober Llama.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Crispy.
Congrats.
Yo,
What's
up,
up,
guys?
baby? How are you?
Thank you, AJ. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you.
You're the
I
man.
love you.
Appreciate
Congratulations,
you guys.
Crispy.
What's up?
Only charts.
Yes, Max.
What's up, baby? Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Lucid. Also,
No problem.
Thank you.
I love
Caught me
seeing
off guard
everyone's
with that.
background.
Caught me off guard with that. Who's next? Big Rome.
Daddy Max, what's cracking?
What's going on, baby?
Shit, nothing much, man. Good looking out, AJ Llama. Yep, from Cali, man.
Hell yeah, I know that's right. Congratulations, my friend. Open a support ticket.
All right, for sure.
Cali, man.
and Dominic. You're muted.
Bro.
Hello.
Bro.
You're
Oh my
muted.
God, he's panicking. He's panicking. Look at him. He's panicking.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
He's
3,
panicking.
2. Oh my God. Oh my
Look at him.
God.
Look at
I'm just
him.
kidding. You win anyway. You win anyway. Congratulations.
yo, is my camera on? Can y'all hear me?
No, but
Yeah,
you
shit
won,
sucks.
Hash. Open a support ticket.
Hell yeah, appreciate y'all.
You're welcome.
Assassin.
What's going on, Max?
What's up,
Appreciate
brother?
you guys.
No problem. Where are you from? It looks cold.
Yeah, I'm in Jersey. I'm at work right now.
Ew.
Hey.
Open a support
Yeah.
ticket.
Yucky.
I think AJ's from Jersey.
I am.
Jake, congratulations. Jake, you're muted.
What the?
Great red beard, Hassan. You have a
It
great
looks like he's from
red
Duck Dynasty.
beard, goatee. I don't know. It's like Duck Dynasty or like he loves Japanese
Still
bitches.
muted.
It's like one or the other.
You watch hentai?
Hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Do
We hear
you
you.
prefer country music or Japanese women?
Well, I'm gonna say country music.
Wow.
It's
I'm
too
out of
s-
here.
Okay,
this is tough.
okay.
This
Get
is
him out of
two
here.
Get him out of
favorite
here.
things.
Get him out
Get
of
him out of
here.
here.
Unknown.
Open a sports ticket.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome, brother. Congratulations.
Have a good one.
You too.
Congrats.
Excellent.
That was the fastest speed run.
That was fast. They're still typing LFG.
It's quite amazing. And there's 900 people still all watching live. Still watching.
I love the get on camera speed round. This is great.
One thing that we do very unique on the show is we do the interviews, and we figured out how on the back end production we have a huge, great, unbelievable back end production team. So we're pulling people up live here and on YouTube. So the YouTube, so we want to interact with people. We want to talk to the people. That's how we have such a great audience, and they're the best live audience, and we want to bring them up, and we want to give them shit. We want to give them free shit all year long.
It's good to see the people. It's good to see them where they're at, right? Like I like seeing everyone's like background, like where they're sitting at. You know what I mean?
Yeah, typically when it's not a speed round, we do like actual interviews, see how their
Right.
training's been going, try to drop some knowledge on them.
Yep. Trying to do it whatever we can to help them. And it's the best. So guys, we have 30 50Ks left. 30 50Ks left. We are going to start pulling up the names randomly to get up the 30 50Ks. Last round. It's pretty badass. Just another huge shout out to AJ and Lucid Trading for this massive giveaway. Unbelievable that they had this much freaking generosity to drop this on our community. It's been unreal having AJ and the official launch of the affiliate partnership with Lucid Trading, guys, and I'm very excited to work with them. Highly requested from the community. So highly requested.
I love that people have been spreading the good word. It's awesome.
Yeah, brother. Like I said, that's the greatest autograph. So let's get to work. Let's get to work. The new code to be brought up for the 50K is going to be MOT. You have to write MOT in the chat. MOT, max options trading, and you can win a 50K. The new code is MOT. Are we delayed or something? I feel like our
They said chat is the chat's delayed.
even in the Discord? There's the first MOT right there. K Rob, John, Bobby, Ellis. Let's get those MOTs going. MOT, MOT, MOT. Welcome, Ellis.
Hello.
Uh,
Hey,
Ellis.
1 sec. I was driving. I'm so sorry.
No problem, Ellis. Where are you from?
Guess. Should I talk a little bit more?
UK.
You're from
Yeah.
Manchester.
No, much more
Chelsea.
south.
No. Want a
Hey.
freaking 50K from Flex for Lucid, a Flex account.
Oh, I'm buzzing about that. Thank you. I was going to buy a Flex account last night, so that is perfect timing.
Perfect timing. Hey, if you deserve it, Big Daddy Morning Show will serve it with AJ. What do you got to say to AJ?
Just an absolute legendary man. I've loved watching you today, and yeah, I'm going to join your Discord and follow you more.
Hell
Appreciate
yeah.
that.
Lovely old chap.
Love that. I love this. I love you. I love you,
I
Ellis.
love you. I loved you.
God, I'm fucking
The vibes are good here.
You nasty broad. Get her out of here. Congratulations, Ellis. You nasty broad. John.
What's going on?
Nothing much. You're what's going on, baby. You just won 50K.
It's awesome. Appreciate it. Thanks, AJ.
No problem.
Absolutely. Congratulations. JS.
Dude, he's in the club right now.
JS, what are you doing?
Trading.
You're trading? Where are you from?
Australia.
Where?
Aussie.
Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. Good shit, brother. Congratulations. You
Australia?
just won a 50K
Really?
from Flex from Lucid. Are
Really?
you like raving while you trade? Are you like the vibes are high?
It's just the light.
Are you a fan of Ziz?
No.
Red Eagle. He doesn't know who Ziz is. Every Australian in the world should know Ziz.
Who's that?
If you ever,
Only
if you've
Australian
ever-
I know is Steve Irwin.
If you've ever lifted a weight in your life, Ziz, just young bodybuilding influencers in the world. He came up with the famous pose where he did like this, like one of these. The guy's unreal. Yeah, Red Eagle.
Love the shades.
Yeah, we can hear you. What's going on with those glasses?
I got these for Christmas, actually.
Hell yeah. Save some puss for the rest of us.
Right. What's up with that?
Fuck, where are you from?
Toast from you guys.
Let's go. Badass, brother. Are you coming to MOT live?
Just gotta verify because I got family in Miami, so I'll probably just stay over there and
Yeah.
go.
Good shit, brother. Good shit. Good shit. Well, congratulations. You just won a
Thank you,
50K
Dylan.
flex. What do you got to say to AJ?
You're a fucking thing.
All right,
I don't know what he
congratulations.
spit. It was just amazing.
K-Rob.
though. You know that.
You're muted. It's like, fuck. Broski.
What's up, guys?
What's up, brother? How are you?
Excited to be on the show. Been following you guys since day one. Followed you from South Detroit.
Let's
Nice.
go. Absolute legend. And now you're up here. A winner.
Yeah.
50K flex from Lucid.
Yeah, excited to try them out too. Thanks, AJ.
No problem,
Hell
brother.
yeah. Good shit, brother. Good shit. Congratulations. Open a support ticket.
Like John
All
Wick.
right, thank you.
He does got that John Wick vibes. Broski.
Hey.
Hey, Rob. You back? Nope. Bobby. Bobby is a fan favorite here. Age legend. He is the Red Dragon. We love Bobby.
The
Bobby,
Red Dragon.
Bobby, the Red Dragon is here, chat. What do you got to say?
I love you guys. Appreciate it. Love seeing all the winning. Lucid looks fantastic. By the way, your website is killer. Love that, man.
Appreciate that.
And you fit in right. You fit in right away when you started the gay talk. It was very obvious.
Instantly fit in with the boys.
Yeah, it was
one
good.
of us. One of us.
Yeah, that's pretty much. And yes, the chat is delayed, by the way, because the reason why I got in was because I typed it like right early. To be honest.
Wow,
So-
I can't believe I never knew we had chat delay. Is that something that is new?
I
guess
mean,
the
your
The
viewership
OG spammed it.
Or is it because of the spam and the viewership numbers? Just spam.
I don't think we
probably from
timed
the
it out.
spamming.
We usually put a delay on it where they can only type every minute. Now they're like spamming consistent.
Right. Just keep spamming MOT. I mean, eventually you're gonna win, I guess. So bad.
I love you
odds.
guys though, man. I
We
appreciate
love
it.
you, Bobby.
too, Bobby.
What do you got to say to AJ before we let you go?
I mean, I love your energy, bro. So you know,
Appreciate
I
that.
really do. I really do. And the jokes and everything that you're doing in the beginning, it fits right in with us. So I hope you come on the show a lot more and enjoy it with us. Appreciate
For
it.
sure.
Comes on the show, dude. Sick. Sick.
You gotta pay extra for that.
You just told us to come
Can
on.
I take
the
that
show.
back?
That's
You better
crazy.
buy a few more
On
accounts
YouTube.
before you talk to him like that.
Yeah, you gotta you buy at least a 5-pack before I'm coming on
Jesus,
camera. For everybody.
Bobby.
Right.
He had one
What's
chance
wrong
and he
with you?
fibbed. Get him out of here. Who's up next? Toniana? Toniana?
Hi.
Lolita is that?
Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Where you from?
England?
The England crowd representing today. Congratulations to
Thank you
you.
so much. Really
Tony,
appreciate you.
we appreciate you. What do you got to say to AJ, this beautiful, charming man?
I've been looking at it, AJ. It looks really good. Thank you.
Awesome. Love to hear
Him
that.
or
I
him
have
or
a
his
question.
company?
I just have a quick question. What did you eat for breakfast today?
Porridge.
Porridge? What are you, Jamaican? Congratulations, Tony. That was a good one. Hey,
Thank you.
That was
That was a good
good. That was good.
K-Rob, do you have your mic yet?
Can you hear
All
me
right.
now?
Yeah.
Can you
Yes,
hear
we
me?
can hear you.
Oh,
Congratulations.
fucking hell. Jesus.
Congratulations. You won.
I appreciate it, guys. I've been listening to you for probably a year and a half, too. Max,
Let's
got
go,
your
brother.
thing. I'm in with Logan. Pretty pumped, man. It's awesome.
That is amazing, bro. And well, I really appreciate your consistent support. We love it. And thank you, my friend. And congratulations on the 50K Flex account from Lucid Trading.
I've always wanted to say this. The llama's a fat bitch.
Damn.
I love you, dude. I mean, you're hilarious, but I had to say it. What a
You're
fat
good, dude.
bitch.
Once in a lifetime. I get it. Double down. Double down. Triple down while
He
you're here.
doubled down. Hey,
Triple
3P.
down while you're
3P.
here,
Hit it
bro.
one more.
No,
One more.
I can't do three. I can't do three. I got to sneeze. Hold on. Llama's a fat bitch.
Respect. It's honestly respectable, bro. Like it's respectable at that point.
Oh my god.
Like people dream about this shit. When they get called up, they gotta just take advantage. I get it.
Listen.
I completely understand it.
Just be a good punching bag. People love it. You know what I mean?
No, it started because I used to always get people on and then be like, "You're gay," and kick them off. And then eventually it started to backfire where they would get me
Yeah.
first and they're like, "You're gay," and they would leave. Damn.
Yo, that was the funniest shit ever. Oh my god, that was hilarious. So
I'm glad we waited for him to get his mic going.
Right.
Sophia,
Hello.
hi, Sophia. Where you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. What is your name, Sophia? Or am I saying
No,
it
it's
wrong?
my girlfriend's Discord, so it's more.
Oh,
chances
you're on
of
your
winning.
girlfriend's Discord? Seriously?
Yeah,
Seriously.
I used to Discords.
You're
For
gonna
more
win
chances
your
of
this is
Oh,
your
he was
girlfriend's
spamming on
account, not
both to
yours.
get called up.
Yeah.
Are you in our Discord in multiple accounts?
No, it's my girlfriend's Discord. So I was teaching her how to trade. So I let her join the in on MOT.
Nice. And then you said, "No way, you're taking that account from me, bitch."
Right. Kicked her. Just drop kicked her off.
Yeah, get the hell out of that chair. I'm
Oh
meeting
my
the
God.
boys. I love that. I love that. I love the dominance, the confidence. That confidence is what you need to be a successful trader. So congratulations, Mr. Sophia, for kicking your wife out of her chance to win a free account. I like that.
Respect that
Thank
one
you.
too.
Big respect. Open a support ticket. Joaquin,
What's up? How's it going, guys?
you're what's
Yeah,
up.
Joaquin
Didn't
was
expect
gonna be
that
the
either.
other.
Two confusing ones. John Queen, what's going on? Are you from Philly?
No, I'm from Texas.
Texas. Damn, we've talked to you before, haven't we?
Yeah, I've been up here for with y'all and then a couple times in the
You
power
were getting
hour.
payouts. You were the smart one. He had like a good judge.
I was getting payouts, dude, but I've been struggling the past few months.
Why?
It's just psychology for sure. Just trying to get payouts like quick. You know, I pass evals, get to like day 3, 4, not blow them, and it's just my psych's just off. So I've just been really working on. I've been watching the P2P Logan's course over and over. So just
Good
trying to
shit.
get my psych back on.
Just get your sight back on, baby. That's all
That's
you got to
right.
get your sight back. Take your time. Slow, consistent gains, base hits equal confidence, equal repetitiveness, equal consistency, and you'll be able to get through the program. I'm telling you, you've been there before. And sometimes the worst thing to happen to a trader is that quick success of payouts, because now you want to rush the process to get back to that highest level. But it's not a rush. It's those good fundamentals that got you there in the first place. We just seem to forget them.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Good shit, John Queen. You're the man, and congrats. Free account. Open a support ticket.
So long, gay boys.
Lady Kels, what's up?
What's up, Big Daddy?
How you
Oh
been?
my god, that sounds
I've been good. How about yourself?
Hella good. I mean, sitting up here, hanging out with the
Don't do me,
crowd.
Llama. Don't do
Got
me.
AJ. No, keep going, Llama.
Where are you from? What southern state are you from?
Texas.
I live in Texas, but I'm
Shocking.
originally from Memphis, Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Can you say music?
Really?
Yes. Can you say
Why,
it?
how to-
Music.
Music.
Oh my
Music.
God, really?
It's the Memphis thing. It's the Memphis thing. Music.
What? Wait, why? Wait, hold on. I didn't. So
You
in
never knew
Memphis,
that, bro? It's crazy.
You're saying music?
Yes.
Dang. So, and Texas is known for a real like southern drawl, you know. So, do people in Texas sniff you out pretty quick? As like, damn, she's not from here. She's from Memphis.
They can pretty much tell, yeah.
I mean, I didn't even know there was an accent thick like that out of Memphis. That's impressive.
No, it's bad. It's not just
It's-
with me. It's not
it's
just with
pretty
music. It's like a
Wait a
lot
For
of
me,
words.
it goes in and out because I've been in Texas for so long, so it goes in and out for me.
Wait a minute. So, is that like a you thing? So, what? Like, how do you say
Yeah, it's
club?
Club.
You don't say
Red-
club.
No, I
No,
don't do
because
that.
club is music is muse. So it's like
You.
mers.
Yeah.
Like words with mer. Like
Oh.
music.
Llama in the know. He know what's
I didn't
up.
know. I wasn't aware, Lady Kels, but I am aware that you are consistently in the crowd, supporting us, watching the show, hanging out, and I do love that. I appreciate you greatly for always being here, hanging with us. And
Wait, so
yeah.
is Jew Jer? How's that work? It's the same sound, right?
oh yeah, how would
Jew?
you say Jewish?
Jewish.
What is not Jerish?
It's not Jewish.
Nah.
A jurish.
I mean, you might have some that got that jur, but like I said, it goes in and out for me.
She's in and out. She's not in Memphis.
Who got that jur?
They don't
you know,
have Jews in
you know I
Tennessee.
got that jur in me. You know I got that jur.
Hey.
Yeah, that was pretty
Congratulations,
good.
Lady Kels, on your 50K, and open up that support ticket.
I appreciate y'all. I love y'all.
Love you.
Love you too.
Music.
Panda. Are you,
What's up?
what's up? Are you on duty?
I'm on duty.
Let's go. How's everything going?
Everything's cool. Got a couple of payouts. Still working.
Nice.
Still grinding.
I know that's right. Hey,
Nice.
the police force wouldn't be the same without your fine ass.
I see y'all at the MOT.
Ooh, you're coming to MOT live?
Coming to the convention.
That's so crazy because I just committed a crime.
And I'll arrest your ass.
I know that. She's like, I
Yo,
really
Max, she was
will arrest
asking.
you,
She was
motherfucker.
actually asking to borrow
Yeah, I need to borrow a
Can I say
gun.
this on YouTube?
Do you want to
She
borrow a
wants to
gun?
borrow a
I have like
weapon.
40 that you could pick from.
Yeah, I need to borrow one while I'm
She
down
said
there.
she wants a. I asked her clean or dirty. She said clean. I told her I'm out of those. So she gotta
Right.
go. She gotta go
Right.
with you.
What do you like to carry? Sig,
Um,
Kimber, Beretta. What do you carry? Smith.
19,
a
right?
Glock. Glock
19.
I got a
40.
17. I got a 19.
40.
I got a 40. I got a 26X. I mean, what do you want? What gen? Gen 4,
You,
Gen 5?
you got a 43?
I do got a 43, Gen 5.
Yeah.
You want that?
Yeah. Let me borrow it.
I got you, girl. You want the extended clip or the 16+1?
No, I'm hitting. So
Ooh, she's
That's ice cold.
cold-blooded. Panda, we
Ice
love you,
cold.
girl. We love you.
love y'all.
Congratulations. You just won a 50K from Lucid Trading.
Thank
Congrats.
you, AJ.
No
Appreciate
problem.
y'all.
Appreciate you too.
He said I'm hitting.
I'm
Not
hitting.
gonna lie, that
Leandra.
Ice
shit,
cold.
it got me kind of aroused.
Yeah, I'm very, blood is flowing right now into my genital. Leandra.
Hey,
Hey, how
how
are
are
you?
you guys? Good. Good. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Where are you from?
Northern California.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Anna.
what's your nationality?
I am Cambodian and Chinese.
I was about to say she Cambodian. I was about to say
Did
that.
not. Did you really?
I swear, bro, they got hella Cambodians up in Cali. Y'all be gangbanging.
Stockton.
Wow, but not everyone's
What?
gangbanging in all these fucking places.
In
You
California,
can't
they
just
be
say,
gangbanging.
oh,
especially
Hawaii, you know they're
Cambodians.
gangbanging. Oh, Cali, they're gangbanging.
Right.
Oh my
Ain't
god.
gangbanging
No,
in
but
Cali. What you
I
still doing there?
really appreciate you guys. Watch you guys every morning. My husband and I, we listen to you, trying to learn this trading game.
Hell yeah, that's amazing. Keep watching, keep learning. We give out so much free chicken and during the show, and if you really pick it up and take your time, you will be able to catch on and you can do something with it.
Hopefully one day.
Not hopefully, take charge of your shit. Make
You'll
it
get
happen.
there. You honor your
Yeah,
family very
it's the
soon. Stay
psychology.
disciplined.
That's what I'm struggling with.
You will get there, and we're gonna get you started with a free 50K from our friends over at Lucid Trading.
Thank you,
Heck,
AJ. Thank
no
you,
problem.
Max, Llama.
You have like a voice that like you ever thought about doing like late night hotline like stuff?
No.
No.
I think I have that voice. No.
I don't know. Maybe I just want you to tell me to do my homework. Will you tell me to do my homework?
Do your homework, Max.
Oh my God, get her out of here.
That's
Showtime,
crazy
you like
work.
that?
What's up, guys?
What's
Yeah,
up, brother?
sure, I like it. Of course.
Sure, why not? What's up, Show? What's going on?
Nothing much, brother. How you doing?
We are doing amazing. We're here with the CEO of Lucid Trading, who's done a massive giveaway for the community. What do you got to say?
I see that. I like that. I bought a 150K and I bought a 25K funded.
Let's
Hell
go,
yeah.
baby.
Awesome.
You're a funded trader right now with Lucid. Take your time,
Sick.
follow that consistency for 5 days. You got a payout.
Yep, I'm ready for MOT Live too.
Let's go. You're coming down?
Yep, tier 1.
Let's go. But oh yeah, you are tier 1 Showtime. Let's go. You know what? I know we're not releasing. Oh no, never mind. Next week, you guys start getting everything. Are you excited? Free indicators for life, all the courses for life.
You know what's
coaching
funny
from
is
everyone.
I bought all the courses before I even did the tier 1.
Damn. You have all the course. Damn, you got all the indicators. Damn, you got every tag we ever offered.
Yep.
You are the VIP.
So I'm excited.
As
That's
you
crazy.
should be, my
Amen.
friend.
Yes.
We are going to have the best weekend ever just in 3 or 4 weeks. We're so excited. I can't wait to meet you and come through, brother. It is going to be insane.
Likewise, brother. Thank you. And
Hell
thank
yeah.
you, AJ. I appreciate it.
No problem, brother.
Congratulations on the free 50K, baby.
All right, guys. Thank you.
Thank
Sick.
you. Legend Showtime. Is that Britt?
Hi guys.
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing, just working.
Where you working at?
Drive trucks.
You drive a truck?
Yeah.
Dang, your fine ass.
I'm out here trucking.
You should. Never mind. We're on YouTube.
I appreciate y'all.
We
Uh-oh.
appreciate you. Congratulations. You just won a 50K from our friends and partners over at Lucid. And when you get back to work, bro, you got to get back in the lab, get back on those trades.
Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely. And we don't
All right,
condone texting and driving, and we don't like drivers on the show. So when your ass pulls over, call us back.
All right, I'm pulled over. I got y'all.
Good.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Brett.
Congrats.
All right.
Like was that the hottest trucker I've ever seen?
Swear to God, I'll turn into a lot lizard.
TP. Hello.
Where did he just go?
Hello.
He's frozen.
There he is.
He's frozen. Hello.
Back. TV.
See me?
Yeah.
Hello?
I hear him.
TP.
He's lagging. Get him out of here. Open a sport ticket.
TP, open a support ticket, baby. We got one, and we are out of here. One more batch, and we are done. The biggest giveaway, Lucid MOT, baby. We are together. We are live, and this has been what an amazing show. What an amazing freaking show. I hit a massive banger, 1,500 across my accounts. I made 4,500, and that was late. I missed my beautiful orb setup. That would have been an easy one. But we got one more batch here, guys. Put MOT in the chat. And put MOT in the chat.
What did you catch here? Were you long early, or were you short?
No, I caught the short on the candlestick structure break
Nice.
when it was chopping around up there. I just waited for the zone to break. That's it. And then once it popped short on the 1 and 5 minute, I threw in 5 minis, and I only hit like 15, 20 points, but
that's all it takes.
That's all it takes. Oh, we got some legends coming up. The last batch.
Just show me the cheddar.
You brought that boy Cheddar on?
Oh no.
What's up?
Cheddar? Behave yourself, Cheddar.
I am, because we have company, so I'm gonna behave. AJ loved the clip with your mom.
Oh,
that was great. Llama, what's up, cuz? Max, what's up, my nigga?
I know that's right. I know that's right. What's going on, Cheddar? Talk to us.
Not much, man. Just out here in these streets.
How the streets been treating you recently?
They're all right, man. You know, Crip.
You making bread out there or what?
You know, slanging a little here and there.
No, I know that's right.
Gotta hustle.
Gotta hustle.
You're a hustler.
Yeah, gotta hustle, man.
Is there any point where you feel like maybe you won't be in those streets?
When I end up being like you, a llama.
Fat?
Overweight?
No, not overweight.
Oh.
Got plenty of money flowing like that.
I know that's right. I know
Got
that's
that bread.
Cheddar.
AJ, can I ask you one question?
Sure.
Why Lucid? Because you drive a Lucid?
Nah, it was just we wanted to go with something that like kind of gave off the vibe of like transparency and clarity, and lucid means clear. That's kind of why we went with that.
Yeah. A bar, yo.
Damn, I had no idea. Lucid meant clear.
That's fire right there, AJ.
Thank you. Appreciate
This
it.
is one of the greatest giveaways, man.
Yeah, this is huge.
Blessings to you. Continue blessings to you, AJ, for blessing so many of us today.
And my
also
boy,
the same to Max, Llama. Love you guys.
We love you,
too,
Bubba,
buddy.
and congratulations on the 50K flip.
Bro, did you see this picture, Max?
Open that support ticket, Cheddar, and we're gonna throw you that 50K.
All right. And that's pizza again, Llama. Remember, pizza. But it has a black garlic sauce, by the way. That's why you're off a little bit. Later.
But
what? What did he say? What did he just say? And he winked at me. Like, what did he just say about pizza?
Something about black garlic sauce.
Yeah, my dog. He's bro. Double up.
Yo, fellas. First off, Happy New Year's to everybody.
Happy New Year's,
Yeah.
bro.
Successful year so far. Hey Max, I think I was like the last guy to do a haircut, but my shit finally evened out, so I can go to my barber now and get my shit.
Oh, you had went down the middle.
Just got
Yeah,
it
I had
back
it down the middle. Somebody
So
did the
AJ,
hair.
the last time he was on the show, he took a clipper and shaved the line through the middle of his head.
Reverse
And
mohawk.
that was like 2 months ago.
Honestly, that was beginning of last month. But since then, on that account, I cleared 6K.
No.
Added it to the pot. I told somebody, bro, as soon as I cut it, somebody was like, I hope they pass their account. I was like, I got something for their ass. Like, for sure.
Hair grows back, and that money grows. Hey, that money grows too, baby.
Exactly, bro. You know the shit. That's the vibe I'm on anyway. So
good shit. That is amazing to hear. Absolutely love.
AJ, just met you. You the GOAT, brother. Welcome to the team, man. Hope to see more of you as well. Llama, my guy. Fucks with you heavy. You funny as hell, bro. Logan, Javi. Yo, please get rid of Javi butt crack, man. Stop doing my mans like that. Please stop doing that to my man.
I don't know what the new infatuation is with Javi's ass. No,
bro,
he
me
showed
either, man.
Hole. He showed Hole on the show.
Yo, that's what it was. Llama, you had me dying. You was like, yo, that's not even his crack. That's his hole. Like, bro.
He had straight whispering
low.
eye on this bitch.
Too low, bro. I'm honestly getting sick of it too. I'm getting sick of it that every day I gotta come in and see Javi's ass.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, bro, we all grown and it's funny after a while, but bro, come on, like, focus on the money. Do other funny shit. One thing we
Here they are spamming they're spamming Hole as we're talking about it. Like, damn it.
Anyways, guys, I know y'all busy. We all got a lot to do the rest of the day. So I appreciate everything y'all doing for us. Thank you for helping me every day. It's a blessing, honestly. In my mind, it's $250 a day. Keep the 9 to 5 away. You feel me? So I ain't going too crazy. Building Rome overnight, brick by brick.
Good shit, my boy.
Appreciate y'all always. All right.
We appreciate you, brother. Open up a support ticket. Congratulations.
I got you right now, brother.
Low key. You're muted. Got the world's biggest headset on, but you're muted.
I got those.
Chris.
Yo, what's up?
What's going on, my friend? How are you?
Doing great. Happy to be here.
Won a 50K flex plan from our friends over at Lucid Trade. What do you got to say to AJ?
Thank you, AJ. It's good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You got a great mustache.
Thanks, man.
You what do you do with that?
You know, I take it for rides for sure.
Wow.
That's interesting. I didn't expect that, but now I kind of need to know more.
What do you want to know?
He doesn't ride.
Congratulations, Chris. You have won a 50K flex account, baby.
Sweet. Peace out.
Open a support ticket, baby.
Very interesting.
Low key, we there? No. Naked Humphleys.
What's up, brother?
How are you, my friend?
I'm fantastic, man. Even better now. Thanks.
Yeah, because you just won a 50K account from Lucid.
Oh yeah. That's
Can
what I came for.
Hold on, can we get one more of those? Yeah, that's what I look like. Deuce Garuski and the Hibachi. Yeah, you better slow down. You're gonna pop a hemorrhoid, Mike. What else is going on?
What?
What else is going on?
Man, winter vacation started. Got my kid running around the house. Got my wife. She is very happy to be off work. And now we got like a couple months to just be a fan. It's good.
Hell yeah. Badass. Well, enjoy the downtime and also enjoy your free 50K account from Lucid.
Thank you.
No
You're
problem.
a legend, brother. Open a support ticket. I think I just saw a picture of AJ in the chat with fucking Show Me Cheddar behind him.
I was just laughing at that. Oh my
Who just
god.
posted a picture of AJ in the chat? Look at this. Oh my god. Cheddar, no.
Bro, that's
Jesus.
amazing.
I'm sorry that they did that.
Yo.
I'm actually shocked that we haven't seen more photos of you. I'm shocked that we
It's
haven't
usually
seen
a lot
more.
crazier.
Yeah, it's usually the chat's been pretty good today, to be honest. There's usually like we would have seen a lot crazier stuff, but they
I
did
mean,
good today. They did
yeah,
really good today.
they can't hurt my feelings. They can try though. I'd love to see the content around it.
Yeah. Those
No, they
they'll
don't go
get
for
nasty.
hurting feelings. They go for obnoxiously gay things.
Right.
I mean,
Max.
then do your gayest, boys and girls.
Max.
Hey.
Is your name really Max?
Yep.
What a gay
Maximilian.
name.
Nice, dude. Where you from?
Germany.
Germany. A Max from Germany. Nice,
Yeah.
dude. It's like a more common name over there.
Yeah, I think so.
It's the #1 dog name in America.
Really?
Nice.
Yeah. Because I got that dog in me. You know what I'm talking about, Matt? You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Are you what do you do in Germany? Are you a trader?
Liberal?
I'm trading and I'm working for the city.
You work for the city. What do you do for the city?
IT.
IT? Oh, tech guy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Good shit. And then, so how long have you been trading for?
A couple years now, but not very profitable.
That's the case for most people. What do you think the #1 reason you're not profitable is?
I think emotion.
Your emotions?
Psychology. Yeah.
Do I have to have Logan come up here and scream at you in German? Because he could scream at
Yes.
you in German.
Yes. Probably I need that.
He could treat you like you're me, you know what I mean? And he could start screaming at you. That works. I've seen some of his students, they look battered after. They look absolutely battered. And it
Battered.
works. And then after that, they're like, that's profitable. That's profitable.
Yeah, I think I need that.
This one time I was with, damn it, we're on YouTube. Max, a legend. Congratulations, my friend. And you have just won a 50K Lucid account.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You are welcome. Open to support. Okay. Low key, you there? No. Hey, you won anyway. My dog, you won anyway.
That looks like Lil Meech.
He looks like he's from. He looks like
he's loving it.
No,
love
bro, look,
that.
I gotta show you who I'm talking about, bro. That's crazy. He looks just
What
like
does he
him.
look like?
Lil Meech, Big Meech's son. He's like on all
Lil
the
Meech?
bro. Tell me this is not who we just look like, who we're looking at right
Maybe he is Lil Meech.
now. No.
Who the hell is Lil Meech?
Big Meech's son. You don't know Big Meech? I think I'm Big Meech, Larry.
No.
He just got out of jail. He's in prison for like 30 years.
Damn. That
Created
sucks.
BMF. You don't know BMF?
Bad motherfucker.
Oh.
Belt at the UCF? I don't know. Low key, congratulations.
You should like him.
He
It's
can't get his
crazy.
audio stuff working, but open a support ticket. Well, guys,
Did we just have 85 people really come up here? That's crazy.
Yes.
yeah,
That's
awesome.
awesome.
That's how it's done, baby. That's how it's done. That's the speed of all speed rounds, and there's still 700 plus still spamming. There's some of them are still spamming. Let's fucking go.
It's great. They haven't stopped.
It's the most amazing thing, AJ. We have come to a wonderful closure, guys. Day show, and big, huge thank you to AJ for coming in and welcoming himself and us to him and Lucid Trading and MOT community. He is now part of vast MOT network, and as you could tell, he fits right in. Legendary CEO, one of the legendary firms in our industry. AJ, you want to sign off?
Yeah, just thank you guys for having me, and thank you guys for welcoming me into this community. Like I do think we're now that we've spent some time together with the, like you said, your thousands of degenerates, I think we're gonna get along just fine. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Absolutely, guys. Thank you so much to AJ. This Lucid Trading, guys. Remember, Lucid, no active, no recurring costs, easy, simple, trader friendly, great live program. And now you can use code BDM to get the best sale always. Thank you, AJ. We love you, bro.
Love you too, buddy. Love you
Amazing
guys.
first entry coming into our environment. We can't wait to have you back. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, guys. Thanks for having me. Everyone have a good one. Congrats to all the winners.
Congratulations, guys. Remember, nothing we do here is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We are filming the Big Daddy Morning Show, the greatest morning show in the world, where we just gave away 85 free Lucid accounts. Another massive thank you to Lucid Trading, our newest partner. Guys, make sure you guys lock in with Lucid Trading, currently 30% off with code BDM. And make sure you guys tap into all the great things that we're doing community here. Remember, if you want to buy an indicator or a coaching session, the new P2P indicator is out. If you want to tap in with the llama and the new P2P indicator, it is available for you guys today live. So make sure you guys lock in with Pay to Play and Big Daddy Llama and this new indicator and Sober Pay to Play University if you want exclusive pre-market access to his pre-market group with Coach. Or if you want to buy the Maxtermind, the Max Way is the only futures course in the world, or Futures One if you want all the sauce. Remember to tip the staff, tip the staff. And as always, use code BDM, guys. That's all we need to support us. Use code BDM and get ready for the Power Hour special, moving right into the Traders and Haters podcast tonight. And we're going to have a wonderful show. It's going to be amazing. Thank you guys so much. I apologize for being a little, but obviously the boys held it down crazy freaking hard, regardless, as I know they. So great show, great day, great announcement for Llama and the indicator. Huge news there, and great release of our newest partner, Lucid motherfucking Trading, baby. Llama?
Banger. Lucid. Definitely checking them out. The guy had me very interested in their accounts. Sounds good. To the 85 winners, congratulations. Tap into the Power Hour, guys. Tap into the podcast. We're going to be giving out more accounts. And we love y'all. We're out of here.
Anarchy? Kick fire on him. Great day.
What the fuck? Yeah, me in a kosher closet? Oh, hell nah.
Said my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every fucking day. Daddy Max, Big Daddy Max, Big Daddy. I am not a licensed financial advisor.